Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every day for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real. This is my real money, my real positions. We're joined every day by investors and traders all around the world who share with you equally their open and honest trades of everything they have, and everything is real. So this is my real money. If it goes to zero today, I lose all my money. There's only a couple of $1,000s in the bank to pay the day-to-day bills. This is it. This is real, and it's why we do this show. We've raised over $1 million in this at the back of the studio, in my Martyn Lucas studio, in the music studio. I'm known as the World Piano Man. I've toured all over the world as the Piano Man and performed and sung for entertaining the troops and people all over the world many times in theatres. And all of my members get supported here with free fundraisers where you keep all the money. I take nothing at all. It's just for my members, and it's just what we do. All right, okay, let's get straight into the trade and see where we are. Right, this was last night's position, down 2.52. Let's see if things improve today. All right, we're down again today, but having a big sweep up. Did you buy the dip this morning? I didn't, because it just keeps on dipping. It doesn't seem to stop. So this is my position right now. Let's open up Twitch, see how we're doing. All our guests on Twitch, all our guests on TikTok, over there on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all the websites. Thank you very much indeed. Right, let's go through all our shares right now. Who was here first? Dexter Sickles was in pre-show with Bill and Mike. They're always there, Brickmark. But during the live, and Dexter Sickles, Uzi Maki. But who's just come in live? It looks like Mike is coming live from Twitch. He's the first person in over there on Twitch. We want to get at least 6 people in Twitch now for the first half an hour. Please do not abandon YouTube for Twitch. We're trying to get affiliated. We're up to 2.7 over 30 days. We're getting closer and closer. So if you can open a second tab now for the first half an hour, that would be absolutely brilliant. We will end it after that. Here is the Twitch right now. Let me give it to you. You ready? Here we go. I'll post it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Fantastic. Hope everybody can do that for me. Right, let me have a look. I'll give you an update of where we are right now. The achievements now is, 2.7. 2.7. So hopefully today we can get it up to 2.8. Yesterday we had our highest number, average 5.7. So that's what we need to do. We need to get at least 5 in today for half an hour, and then we'll shut it down. All right. Okay, here we go. The Vanguard S&P is coming up. It was down further than this. Virgin Galactic was all the way down today. We had a massive drop today, down to 586. It's 589 now. It's recovered a little bit. I'm not buying anything yet. Virgin Orbit is down another 5% today. I'm 8% down on it, but I'm not buying any more yet. It could go lower. It's tough times right now. Everybody's really struggling. Tesla, some people say it's going to go down to $300. Well, that's a quarter of where it was at $1,200 just 6 months ago. Tesla is down 1.6 today. Rivian is down 1.48. Be careful of that early bounce. It could bounce right back down again. Polestar is down 6% now. Down 14%. Remember I said to you I'd buy in at first and then buy the further dips on the way down. Well, that's exactly what I'll be doing. And it's down 14% now. I could, if I doubled my position, I would halve my loss from 14 to 7% down. But we've got more pain to come, I'm afraid. Sad to say, we're still in a bear market. Just because we get bullish rallies doesn't mean to say it's all over. Amazon is down 1.12. Apple is down 1.124. Lost all the gains yesterday. We're showing 1 viewer at the moment in Twitch. If you can open it, it'd be awesome. We want at least 5 for the first half an hour. Then we'll shut it down. Back over to YouTube right now. It's a quiet start. Only 9 in right now. 9 watching, 9 likes. Awesome. A very, very quiet start today. I know why. It's because people don't like these red days. Very, very difficult. Let's look at our crypto right now. you'll see Ethereum dropped 5.62 today. Just going under 1,000, under 20,000 again. Bitcoin down 4.27. Bitcoin SV is down 5% as well today. Remember, I always said I'm not going to buy any more of Bitcoin SV. I don't need to. I don't need to. If I own 11 coins and it's going to be worth $1 million, that's more than I ever need, right? Enphase Energy is down 1.43. Ginkgo Bioworks down 1.2. Tilray Brands is down 2.42. On is down 2%. Canoe is down 3.45. Tesco is up 0.54. Target is down 0.96. Leonardo says, on my way. He's on his way. Good morning, Jonah Gold. Good morning to you, Jonah. Lovely to have you here. Super Jensen. It looks like we've got a few now in our Twitch account. Yes, 6. Oh, that's above yesterday's average. Great. Fantastic. Right, if we can hold 6 now for another 24 minutes, that's half an hour, we'll end it. And we'll have an average of 6. Oh, yes, we're getting up our average now. Woohoo! Absolutely great. I think it's going down. I'm dollar cost averaging. Chris Abuba, what do you think is going down? Everything? You buying everything? Rolls Royce is down 2.73. PayPal is down 1.32. IonQ is down 0.9. SoFi is down 2.17. Meta is down 1.27. These are all my This is all my real money. This is all my actual portfolio. All right. Google is down 1.37. Johnson & Johnson is flat right now. Coca-Cola is down 0.5%. McDonald's is a flat right now. Robinhood is also down 1% today. How are we doing today? Not looking great. OpenSea has had a data breach. That's the platform. Martin, you used to say NFTs emails among the breach. Yes. Well, I'm not worried about stuff like that. If I start getting spam emails, I just block them, and after a while it stops. But yeah, what can you say? But thanks for letting me know, though. That is where my NFTs are. Is there a better place to sell my NFTs? Because Paul B, I've sold 6 of my NFTs now, and my OpenSea account is linked to my MetaMask account, MetaMask wallet, and I don't see any of the money in there. I've never actually had any of the money of my NFTs. If I go into my OpenSea account, it says I've sold them. It says I've got, like, you know, X amount, $50, not very much, in my OpenSea. But I look in my MetaMask that's attached to it, and there's nothing in there. Again, more confusion with crypto. I've been doing it just for you guys for fun, because you buy them and you can trade them and make money. But I've never had a single penny from my NFT sales. Not a penny. Not a penny. It says they're sold. It says you've paid. It says it's in my OpenSea. But my OpenSea is linked to MetaMask. And in my MetaMask wallet, it's the same wallet. There's nothing in there. I've got no idea. Don't even know where to start. Are you on Ethereum wallet on Meta? Yes. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am on my Ethereum wallet on MetaMask, and it doesn't show. I've tried to go in there, and I've lost interest in it. It's just so complicated. I have no idea. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to own them so you could make some money. But yeah, it is pretty crazy though that I've actually sold my own NFTs and have never had any money. One day I'll sort it. It's just like there's a million things to get round to. You never get round to them all here. Right, let me go over to Twitch. Mike's saying, oh, we had 6 for a moment. We've shown 5 again now. We only another 20 minutes to go. We're up to 9 minutes now. We've got 68 followers. So let's keep it above 5, guys, and then I'll end the stream on Twitch very shortly. We've got 5 right now. If anyone can open a second tab or second device, keep Twitch running in the background. Please do not abandon YouTube for it. That would be great. I reckon we'll hit 2.7 probably. I reckon we'll hit 2.8 today, which will be great. Because you've got to knock off the 30-day average. You got people who watched it a month ago when there's only 1 or 2 in. So we've got to knock those off, and then the average will jump up. So there you go. We are down 1.95 overall. My portfolio today looking pretty rough again. Vanguard S&P is trying to push back up again though. Virgin Galactic, see, if you bought that dip and then thought, great, I can make a bit of money, as you can see. It then immediately went back down again. This is a bear market, guys. We get rallies, but you have to be careful. It's difficult because you think, oh, dollar cost average, and it just keeps on going. And you think, well, okay, I'll wait. And how long do you wait? Eventually things will turn up, but we've been saying now things are going to turn up for 6 months. Look at my overall portfolio, guys. This is my overall portfolio. Look, we've been losing money since November. We had a rally that fooled everybody, and then it's gone down and down and down. I mean, look at that. $27,000 loss. Just keeps on going. Polestar, talking about Polestar, down another 5% today. I did say this, didn't I? I said it would drop off, but it does suck you in. You think, oh, I'll buy some more. I'll buy some more. It always does. We get the pop, then we get the merger drop. And that's where we are right now. So you're down another 5%. Now, if I doubled up my position, bought 62 shares, spent $575, I would go from 13% down to 6.5% down, something like that. So that would be not bad. I could do that if I wanted to, buy the dollar cost average. But I'm afraid in the markets we are right now, it could keep going down. So it's very, very difficult. How many have we got on YouTube right now? We've got 18 watching, 12 likes. Smash the like button. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up. It'd be awesome to see you in the chat right now. Come on in and say hello. There's Ali Isles. Hey, my Polestar gang. Are you in Polestar still? Did you wait for this dip, or are you dollar cost averaging all the way down? What's your situation? Ali is in Whoville. Ali's in Who. Hey guys, Horvath is here. Welcome, Horvath. Danielle, how are you? Great to have you with us again today. We're looking for further dips. I still believe in Virgin Galactic. Still believe in Virgin Orbit. Remember, all that's changed. All that's changed is the price of the stock. The value of the company hasn't changed. In fact, it's increasing. They are now hiring. Virgin Galactic is now hiring again, taking on more staff. They're getting ready. So keep buying the dips, but don't overspend. Wait for the dips to get, become proper dips. Very difficult, I know. I'm going to just see if these messages come through. Uzi Maki. Yes, I think.
The day trader is one of the most honest.
Yes. Uzi Maki, your information does come, your audio does come through on the computer. That's absolutely brilliant. So I will check that later. Thank you very much indeed for that. We got a couple of sound bites from Uzi Maki. Thank you very much indeed. We've got one there. We've got another one there. Download that one as well. Thank you very much. Okay. We might even play that. Should I play them? Without listening to them? I have no idea what they say. Are they nice? Are they good? Should I play them right now? What do you think? Let me have a quick look. We've got them in downloads. There we go. They're in downloads. They've gone through to my downloads. Okay. Crypto is a long bear market ahead, maybe 2 years. There we go. 2 years. Bloody hell. It's incredible, right? I wonder how long crypto will go. I'm averaging into Ethereum. How low will it go? Well, Did you tune into the show yesterday? We had a big crypto expert on the show yesterday, Kurt, and he's got a big influence. He's been on Fox News. He's been on all the main news channels, and he was a guest of mine on the show yesterday. If you've not seen yesterday's show, I strongly recommend you look at yesterday's closing bell. He was on the show for an hour. We had a very good conversation, learned a lot, and Bitcoin is down 4% today. BSV is down 4.76, but we are seeing a bit of a bounce now. But look, it's short-lived. You get a bounce and it's straight back down again. Crypto's a long bear market, maybe 2 years. No, better not do it blind. They're both the same, though, just different formats. Okay, great. Yeah, I'm sure they sound great, but I will wait. Of course I will, because I'll edit them and I will make sure they're normalized with sound levels and all that other good stuff. Anyway, thank you very much. That will be in this afternoon's show. Uzi Mackey's left me a voice, a soundbite. All right. So, where are we right now? Let's have a look. Let's go through all our stocks right now. The S&P is coming up slowly. Virgin Galactic, there you go. That's why I didn't buy this morning. That's such a small bounce. It's just tricked you in and down it goes again. There's a lot of analysis now that says Virgin Galactic will go to $4. And I will tell you now, if that does that, my portfolio is going to really, really, really suffer. Really suffer. It's 17% of my portfolio, and that is a big drop, a huge drop. So we hope that doesn't happen, but if it does, of course, I will buy at $4 because my conviction hasn't changed. It's just selling pressure. That's all it is. The company is the same. I didn't buy at the price. I bought the value. All right. If you've just tuned in today, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. Let us know where you are. Come into the chat, and we'd love to have you here. We've got 8 minutes to go before the hour. And how is everyone doing today? Let's have a quick look on Twitch. We are now 6 again. We've got 10 minutes to go. 13 minutes to go. If we can hold at least the number we have in the chat right in the Twitch now for another 6 minutes. Sorry, not 6 minutes. 13 minutes. We'll end the stream, and hopefully we'll have an average of 6. And hopefully our average today will go from 2.7 to 2.8. Nearly 3. That's where we need it to get to. All right. Lucid is down 1.5 right now. Polestar is down 4% down. Arrival is barcoding at the moment at down 199. Amazon is down 166. Apple is down 1.51. Robinhood down 1.18. McDonald's is now down 1.11. Coca-Cola is down 0.48. Johnson & Johnson is flat right now. Google is down 1.37. Microsoft down 1.15. Not looking great this morning. We are suffering again. Meta Platforms is down 1.2. SoFi 2.17. IonQ is down, trying to push up. There was a little bit of a rally this morning. Or crypto is down, trying to push back up again. So we're just, there we go. It's going back down again. That's exactly why I didn't buy the dips this morning, because the bull market is getting worse at the moment. These dips become bigger dips. So I want to thank everybody. We've now got a distribution. That was courtesy of Uzi Mackey. A distribution, a circulation of our very first newsletter of 35 now. 35. Let me give you the information. It comes out, the very first edition, on Sunday. It'll come out every week at the same time. Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT time. All right, there it is. And here's how you get it. If you want it, it's free. And there it is. There is the weekly newsletter. Once you click on that link, that is not it. You need to enter your email. I only ask for the email. I don't ask for your name or any other information. They're very, very minimal. I will never share your information, never sell your information at all. And it's just your email I need to better send you an email, obviously. And once you've filled it out, look, you click subscribe. Once you've clicked subscribe, you check your inbox for the verification email. Some of you still haven't done that. And if you've not found the email yet, this is the email you are searching for, so you can search for it in your inbox. And when you find it, it could be in junk, of course, until you've whitelisted me. You need to click on it, verify it, and then you'll receive the first email newsletter. And today we now have 35. And of course, we're just 24 hours away. Couldn't have come at a worse time. I know that. If everybody was booming and making money, everybody might be looking for an investment, because it is an investment. Kickstarter is not a fund me page. It's not a charity. It's a business. You invest in my project and you get perks and benefits of the project. All right, that is what it's all about. I've got 18 followers to make the movie at Virgin Orbit in the UK. And we have 18 now. If you want to click on that, please do, and be in for tomorrow. What it means is, if you click follow, it just means you are notified on the launch. We're going to go live tomorrow at 9 a.m. There it is. And if you click notify on launch, you will be notified the moment it goes live. And what I'm trying to do to promote our YouTube channel is go live, get funded in 1 hour. If I get funded in 1 hour, then Kickstarter, allegedly, and I've never done it before, this is what I believe will happen, they will promote the Kickstarter and you could go viral. And if I go viral, of course, it will promote the YouTube channel. That's what it's all about. That's what I'm doing it for. So it's to make a movie. So the true cost is many thousands for me to go to the UK, film it, interview everybody, so on. But I'm only asking $500. I've got family and friends who've lent me money and supported me. So I'm asking for the minimum amount so I can get it done. So that way it'll fund, hopefully. But I know $500 is still a lot. All right. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. See what happens. Anyway, are we starting to get a little ripple up again? It's trying to go up again. Could be another fake out. Be very careful. The S&P is trying to push up and then back down again. Virgin Galactic. Here we go. It's day traders' dream right now, but I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it because it'll fake you in. You'll buy it. You have to buy big. You have to buy big to make any amount of money on it, and that's very risky. Only do it on stocks you really want to own. And the trouble is, of course, your portfolio will get bigger and bigger on that stock, and you don't. I mean, right now I'm at 17%. It's too much of my portfolio. Hope you're not being smuggled back into the UK via a tiny boat. That's why it's $500, mate. That's why it's $500. I'm going to swim across the ocean. All right. I'm going to film it on my phone. That's why it's $500. Hope you're not being smuggled back into the UK via a tiny boat. No, I'm afraid the bloody flights are a couple of grand. It's really expensive right now. But anyway, remember, if you do decide to back the project, remember, it's not charity. It's a business. It's an opportunity for you. It's not a charity, right? If you back it, I'll pick you up at Dover. If I'm coming from the US, mate, I'm not going to swim all the way to Dover, am I? Hey, now come on, think on. I'm going to come in an island, or I'm going to come in at Land's End. All right, come on, think about it. Anyway, you only invest if the project gets funded. So if you say I'm gonna back it with $50 and it doesn't reach 500, you don't pay anything. You don't have to. So if everyone makes a pledge, obviously, if it does fund, you have to pay, of course, but you don't if it doesn't reach it. So if you think, well, I want to back it, but I want to make sure it gets done, that's the purpose. You won't pay anything unless it reaches it, and then I have to deliver on that then, and I will. Of course I will. Virgin Galactic. It's the first of two parts. The second part is to go to New Mexico to the Virgin Galactic headquarters space station. All right. Anyway, Rivian is down 2% today. Lucid is also down 1.97. A lot of fake outs today. Are you buying these? Polestar down. Arrival down. Amazon down. It's tough. Uzi Mackey's here. I remember someone asked him why my name was Uzi Mackey. The day trader has too many viewers called Paul. Couldn't have more of them. Yeah. There you go. Good idea. Right, we've got 20 now watching on YouTube and 13 likes. Good stuff. How are we holding up on Twitch? Oh, we're still holding the 6. Great. We've got 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. If you could jump into Twitch now, the last few minutes, let's ramp it up to 10 and then we'll end the stream in 4 minutes. So let's do it. If you wouldn't mind, the more I can get in just for a couple of minutes, come straight back to YouTube. Here we go. Everybody on YouTube, just for a moment, let me give you the Twitch. If we can just now get it ramped up for the last 4 minutes, in fact, there you go. There's the Twitch. I will end the stream as soon as we get up the half an hour, which is in 4 minutes. All right. Okay. I'll do a quick commercial, get everybody to jump into Twitch for 4 minutes, and then we'll end the stream. Okay, here comes our first commercial of the day. Here we go. Dexter Sickles, Mull is green. LOL, the only one it seems. Come on, Twitch, Mitts and Vale. There we go. We're at 6. We've got 4 minutes to go. Everyone just hold. We're at 2.7. Hopefully, we'll end up at 2.8 today, especially if we get 8, 9, or 10 jump in. I'll come back to it in a second to end the stream. All right. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Fantastic. Good morning, everybody over on TikTok. Good morning, Zach. How are you? Zach, you sent me some messages on, I think it was Instagram. I couldn't open them. So I don't know if you sent me a message and I couldn't, there was a problem. But if it was in a message you need to reply to, please do come back to me. I couldn't receive the message. So if there is a message you want me to receive, please send it again. I couldn't get it. I'm on Twitch. I don't have an account. Will still it count as a viewer? Probably not. Oh, 10. Yes. 10. We're showing 10. Look, we're showing 10. Yes, make an account on Twitch, Ali Tisro, and then you can follow me. There you go. Come on, sort your life out, mate. There you go. Look, 10. 28 minutes. We're going to hold until 30 minutes. From TikTok to Twitch. Zachug. Thank you, Zachug, from TikTok. There we go. Awesome stuff. All right. All we got to do is hold that for a couple of minutes, and I'll end the stream on Twitch. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Right, we've got the cash giveaway on YouTube coming up later. So I'm going to give everybody on Twitch now. That's come across from YouTube, the TikTok, which is great. Thank you so much. Going to give you the link now. Here comes. We've got 68 followers now on Twitch. Awesome. There is the link on YouTube for YouTube in the chat. There you go. So as soon as we end this, I'll give you the signal, jump straight back into YouTube. That's the home of our show. That's what it's all about. All right. Apple, down. Robinhood, down. We've got 27 minutes before the bell goes. I'll send you a link on Discord. Oh, great. Ali Tisro sent me a link on Discord. We got 1.5 minutes to go, and I'll end the stream on Twitch. Stay where you are. We got 10. We're going to get a nice average today of 2.7. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay. Ali Tisro has sent me a link. Grayscale sues SEC over Bitcoin ETF application rejection. All right, we'll bring that into the show in a minute. Thank you ever so much for that, Ali Tisro. Appreciate it. What did you think of our guest yesterday, Kurt? Did you listen in? Did you hear the whole interview? Very interesting guest. Very interesting guest indeed. All right. Okay, we're holding 10. We're going to end it in a minute. Just stay there a second. We want the average to show and then we'll end the stream. All right. Lucas Aids, they're over on YouTube. Zachug, hello, Lucas Aids. All the, by the way, the hashtag Lucas Aids, by the way, is the name of our fan club. Like Swifties, you're all Lucas Aids. All right. We're fizzy. We're golden. We're good for you. We give you energy. We're positive. You use us when you're not feeling very well. Lucas is my name, of course, and AIDS is because you all aid and support the channel. So there you go. You're all Lucas Aids. Hashtag Lucas Aids will always bring you back to us and share the family. All right. Okay. Okay. We're getting ready to end the stream on Twitch. Just hold there for a minute or so. I'll end it. Awesome. Isn't it great? Ethereum is trying to push back up. Bitcoin is trying to push back up. Robbie Cooper, good morning. I bought a lot of BSV. Bought a lot of his BSV nerds with him into the chat. We had a lot of BSV people, didn't we? We did. I'm watching Mullen pump up this morning. Dexter Sickles. Mullen is pumping up. Pronunciation. Mitten. Right, I'm going to get this right. Mitten V. Mitten V, is that right? Have I pronounced that correct? Mitten V or Mitten Vi? You can actually call in. If you're a member to our YouTube channel, you can actually call in and be part of the main show and have your say and speak on the show, and then we could actually hear your name. Would be awesome. Hey guys, good morning, Shad. We've got 11 now in Twitch. It's our highest ever number. And I'm just holding it for an extra couple of minutes because it does it over the stream. So the fact we've just doubled, more than doubled in the last few minutes, I want to hold it for a few minutes, if that's okay with everybody, before I end it. Because we could go from 2.7 to 2.8 very quickly today. It may even go 2.9 with 11 in the stream. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you very much indeed. Right, here's our cash giveaway for tomorrow. If you want to be in our competition, here's our video. I'll give it to you right now. Here it comes. If you watch this video, leave the comment Polestar. You can be in the draw. That's for tomorrow morning. Shad says I'll jump on as well. Incredible. 11. We've got 68 followers now. And hopefully we'll be affiliated probably in the next couple of days at this rate. Might even be today if we hold that for a few minutes. Vanguard, 1 point down, 1.2. Polestar is now down 5% today. I've just had some information come through. There we go. 5.94. It's going back down, so be very careful. A lot of fake outs today. Look at our crypto. You can see that everything is down today. Probably won't make it to YouTube today. Have a listing appointment at 10. Probably won't make it to YouTube today. I don't. Why is that? Why is that, Mitten? Why is that? Why is that? Why can't you be on YouTube just as easy as... I never understand that. You can be on Twitch, but you can't be on YouTube. Why? They're both apps. If you're out and about on your phone, what difference does it make? I've always been curious when you say that. You say I can't be on YouTube, but I can be on Twitch. Why is that? What does that actually mean? I'm unclear what that actually means. Probably won't make it to happy if things go down today. I'll just buy more. Well, we're all doing that, but we're all running out of buying the dips. I know I am. Because I'll be leaving. Oh, I see. Because I'll be leaving in 15 minutes. Oh, I see. I understand now. Fantastic. All right. Thank you ever so much, Mitten, for being part of it. Where are you going today? It says you have a listing appointment. Ah, aren't you our realtor? You should be a Oh, we got 12 now. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away today by how many people we got on Twitch. We got 12. Incredible. Right. That's incredible. We're going to get a really good number today. Vanguard S&P is down 1.2. Why is there not a spot ETF for Bitcoin, in your opinion? Why is there not a spot ETF for BTC, in your opinion? I don't know. Do you think it would be good for the stock, for the asset, if there was? So today I have $400 to trade with. I have 1 day trade available. What would you advise? What would you do? What if you only have $400 and you only can buy one thing today, and you want stability? It's got to be honestly, it's boring, but for me it would be the Vanguard S&P. It would absolutely be that, because it's the most stable part of the portfolio. It has the best companies. We are in a bearish market right now. You'll also earn a dividend. Over history, it's proven itself. Right now, some of these companies will go bust. I'm telling you now, some of these companies will go bust. They will run out of money. They will go bust. That's not going to happen to the S&P 500, right? So if I only had $400 today, what would I buy right now? Because I think things are going to go lower, I would buy the S&P 500. And if you want me to support you on that and back you up on that, right? If you do it, I will do it. If you say go on, then I will buy 400. I'll buy 400, just to prove to you that my sentiment is real. All right. I always back up what I always do. What's the word I'm saying? Back it up with your own money. What's the word I'm using? What's the phrase I'm looking for? Yeah, put your money where your mouth is. That's right. Put your money where your mouth is. Absolutely. All right? Absolutely. So that's what I would do. 15 in Twitch now, apparently. I'm only seeing 12. That's incredible. I'm going to end it. I've been extending it because we're holding. But I will end it because I said I would, and it's not really fair to keep you holding on and holding on, holding on. Some of you are doing it just to help me, so I appreciate it. So let's end it now. Let's end it now on Twitch, because I promised I would. All right, so here we go. We're going to go into Twitch right now, and I'm going to end the stream. Thank you ever so much, everybody. So I've given you the link to YouTube. Here is the link to YouTube right now. So let me end it first, and then jump on in. You ready? I'll put the Twitch, I'll put the YouTube in the chat. There you go. There's YouTube. That's where our cash giveaway is today as well. All right, here we go. Going to end it now on Twitch. Thank you ever so much, everybody who supported that. Here we go. We're about to end it in a couple of seconds' time. Here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Thank you ever so much. YouTube is our family home. Everyone has to be in it. Absolutely. Zachug. It is our family home. There we go. We've ended it. Zach, I know, but he needs viewers here for the average. Yes. You walk the walk. You walk the walk. That's you walk the walk. You walk the walk, talk the talk, innit? Yeah, something like that. Practice what you preach. There you go. Why end it? Keep on getting better average overall. It's because I'm just trying to get an average. Yeah, because I asked people to jump into YouTube to Twitch for me. If everybody would keep 2 tabs open, I'd be more than happy to do that. But I didn't want to take advantage of everybody. That's why. I will keep it open soon. I will keep it open once we've hit the targets. Because once you get affiliated, you keep affiliation open. You keep it forever. So once I hit that target, I will keep it open all the time. Ali Tisro said, yes, I would. Would allow everyone in the stock market and company to purchase an ETF that tracks BTC and backed by BTC. There's There is already a futures ETF. Yeah, we know about that one. And also a short ETF. But the SEC says no to a spot ETF. Yeah, I wonder why that is. SPCE just broke out of 588. It's now 589. Let's have a look. SPCE. There we go. 589. It's popping up again. I'm still down today, though. Good morning, Liam Kelly. Good morning, Liam Kelly. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. One of our new members. Did you get all the benefits? Did you get all the Discord and all that good stuff sorted out? I think we did it for you, didn't we? I can't remember now. As long as you're over 5, just keep it open. The average will go up faster. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, really. Yeah, you're right. I just wanted to do what I said I would. I said I would open it for half an hour and close it. And this whole show relies on honesty and always do what I say and say what I do, right? Anyway, got them all. Thank you. You're welcome. Once we get the average of 3 up and we become an affiliate, I will have Twitch open like everything else is open right now. TikTok is open and Facebook is open and Twitter and LinkedIn and the websites. They're all open. So, I will keep it open. But we've just been trying to get to 3. Maybe it was a silly idea. Anyway. Yeah, that's cool. No worries. Just trying to help in case you didn't realise. Yeah, you're right, Shad. I will do that. Once you're affiliate, it won't matter. That's right. That's right. And I'll leave it open all the time. Right. Okay. We are just 14 minutes from the bell. Nearly 13 minutes from the bell. Smash the like. Subscribe and ring the bell. How's everybody doing? Give us a thumbs up. Let's get ready to rock and roll. The average is still saying 2.7. It'll probably be 2.8 by the end of the day. It takes a little while. It hasn't yet come through for today. It will come through shortly. All right? Now then, we've got just 13 minutes to go before the bell opens. Another big crash today. My portfolio is down. It's trying to push up. Let's check our crypto as well. Wow, we've got 31 watching today. That's a good number before the bell goes. Have you noticed we're getting more and more every day? If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you ever so much for being here. And TikTok is still misbehaving. I cannot make TikTok not flare out my face. There you go. We've got it again there. It doesn't like low light levels. That's the problem with TikTok. One day they might give me an RTMP and let me go from the computer. Then I won't need this phone. But anyway, as long as everybody on YouTube has the best experience, that's all that matters. Bitcoin is down 4%. Bitcoin SV is down again. Enphase Energy, Ginkgo Bioworks, big drop again now. Tilray Brands. Who's still in Tilray Brands? Tilray Brands' stock's getting very dangerously low now. Once you start getting to the $3, you got a company that could go bankrupt because they can't raise funds, they can't raise money. Binance NTF Marketplace has opened up minting access. Binance. Okay, because I'm not really... I thought OpenSea was supposed to be the best. But I've not had any great... Martin, inflation is going bananas. It is. Chris Abuba, it's not good, my friend. It's getting worse and worse. And let me ask the question today. I read some very disturbing news. And I want to ask everyone. Already? Okay. Okay, here's the question. A lot of people think so, but I don't want to influence it in any way. I'm about to pose a very important question. And the more you read, the more information you discover, it's frightening. The question is, in the poll right now, has World War III already started? Has World War III already started? And of course, that's a huge, huge influence over the stocks. Remember, more millionaires and billionaires are created in wartime than any other time. Markets crash beyond belief. New industries are created. It's one of the reasons why I'm in Virgin Orbit. I think they'll play a part in a war like that. Virgin Galactic might play a part in a war as well. Very important. No, Martin, there's been an open sea. No, Martin, there's better than open sea. It's all about competition. Oh, well, let me know which one you think's better then. I do need to, at least get the money that I was paid for. You guys bought NFTs off me. Are you happy with your NFT? Do you, you own it? You could sell it. Are you happy that you're able to make money from it? Because the money you paid me to buy the NFT, I've never received. It said it's sold. OpenSea has recognized the sale, but there's no money in my Ethereum wallet. I don't get it. I put it on the Polygon network. I thought Polygon was Ethereum. It's a side chain, right? And I used, I've got a Polygon wallet, an Ethereum wallet. Wherever I look, I can't find it. All right. Boris Johnson living the Winston Churchill lifestyle. So World War III clearly has. Bloody hell. That's a tricky one at this point. I don't think so, but I think we are heading that way. So as long as you've got the day trader, folks, we'll all be all right. Yep. As long as we've got the day trader, it'll all be all right. This is where it happens. This is where you got to keep it. Okay, we got 8 minutes to go before the bell goes. 62% say no. Here we go. This is important. Ali Isle says, my brother is in the military and he's been sent somewhere with a quick reaction force. He had his leave cancelled and is fuming. There we go. My brother is in the military and has been sent somewhere with a quick reaction force. He had his leave cancelled and he is fuming. Well, there you go. Cancelling leave, sending soldiers into positions. Scary stuff. What do you think real inflation is? I think 20%. It feels like it, doesn't it? It feels like it. But where is the? Here's a poll. I'm going to ask a question. All right. I'm going to ask a question in a minute when the poll gets complete. When everyone's voted, 18 votes. All right. 61% say no. 39% say yes. That's still a good number. A good number of people think yes, it's already started. 61%, what we wanted to hear was 95% say no. That's still a good number of people think it has. That's pretty scary, right? That's scary. You put it on the Polygon blockchain because Matic Polygon is the bestest ever. I agree, Martin. Good call. Yes, I did that so you guys would pay the best price. That's the only reason why I did that. It said if you put it on the Polygon Matic network, it's the cheapest way for people to buy your NFTs. So I thought, well, that's right then. I don't want someone buying a $5 NFT and then having to pay $20 for the gas fees. That's ridiculous, right? War is inevitable as long as Putin is off his rocker. I wish somebody would take him out. I don't believe in hate speech, but does anyone at all think it's hate speech if I say I think it'd be good if Putin was not around anymore? Did anybody hear Bernie Ecclestone's comments? Bernie Ecclestone, the Formula One guy, he said he would take a bullet for Vladimir Putin. Can you believe it? Can you believe he said that? Unreal. The USA has sent 2 squadrons of fighter jets to the UK this week and battleship to Spain. So it's coming. Yeah, I heard about that. Robbie Cooper, I'm going to be up 50% on one stock today. You know, I mentioned last week about the dementia potential cure. NRSN, I'm in it for long term. It's going to be a huge breakthrough. Robbie Cooper, which stock is that? NRSN. Check it out, guys. Robbie, put it in Discord. That's very interesting. See, Boris was making a joke about Putin shirtless, and Putin responded. I saw that. I bet everybody would look disgusting shirtless. I mean, seriously. Unbelievable. They did also say if World War III starts, London will be the first place we send nukes. I heard that as well. Get out of London. Bloody hell. I mean just to have those words used, all right? I think inflation is 10%. Ali's smiling at the day trader. Love it. Polygon as the newest transaction fees. That's the lowest transaction fees. That's right. 3 minutes to go. All right, it's time for a quick commercial break. Make sure everybody's up to date. We got a great audience in today as we go live today. Okay, here we go. Skip the ad. We're live with you on the day trader, getting ready to trade and invest this morning. Polygon has the lowest transaction fees. That's why I did it. I think it's in your MetaMask. You just got it to get you just got to get it displaying correctly. Well, Uzumaki, maybe we can talk later. Ali Tisro, look at all the day trader logo emojis. Yes, take out Putin. All we need is one good sniper. Yep. I would like to add not to buy anything to do with Russia. He gets sent all over the world. Absolutely. Do not. I said that a long time ago. I don't buy any Russian stocks. Tom Clipson, would you sell VU for a profit now and buy back when it drops? No. I keep adding. I don't sell VU. I keep dollar cost averaging. I want more. I earn good dividends from VU as well. Do I need to leave London? Oh my God. I can do it. Do you know what? I was really surprised. I thought it was hours. It's 20 minutes. Apparently, if Russia fire a nuclear bomb from Russia to the US, we have 20 minutes. I had no idea it was that quick. 20 minutes. Right. We've got 3 minutes to go. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let me know you're here. All right. Subscribe and ring the bell and give me a thumbs up. We've got 24 likes. We should have 30 likes now. Here comes Mr. Mini-Me. We got 2 minutes to go before the bell. Here's the 1 minute. We need to get up 20 likes. Oh, sorry, 30 likes. Let's do it. Smash the like button. Here comes Mr. Mini-Me. Help us grow here on YouTube. All smashing the like does is tells YouTube to share this video. It deserves more people. That's all it says. Smash the like button every day. 12 minutes to shoot it down. Yeah, incredible, right? Isn't it incredible? What about to London? Probably half that time, 10 minutes. I would imagine 10 minutes, mate. Imagine 10 minutes. If it's 20 minutes to US, it's probably half that. Well, in fact, less than that. 5 bloody minutes. You got no time. Unreal. Smash the like button. There we go. Okay, here we go. We're coming up to 1 minute to go before the bell goes. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 1 minute before the bell goes. Here we go. Get ready. Are you going to see anything go back up today? Let's have a little look. It's not 20 minutes to intercept. After that, it can't be stopped. Bernie Eccleston did an interview this morning. His exact words were, I'd take a bullet for Putin. He's my friend. Unbelievable. Here's to another day of being alive. Yes, we love it. 4 minutes to reach London. 4 minutes? We'd be screwed. 4 minutes? Yeah, forget it. Oh, my God. Have you all seen the emergency on the phone? It's been added without you knowing. It's not an app. It's integrated with your phone. It was added during an update. Oh my God! Really? All right, here we go. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The bell has gone. The bell has gone. We are into the markets this morning. Let's see what happens. Right, are we pushing up? At the moment, we're pushing up. Vanguard S&P, where are we going to go? Be careful for fake outs. You won't hear about it until it's too late. Good. London is not, Ali Tisro. London is not. What is London not? What do you mean, Chris? What is London not? A keyboard. You should find out how the war started and who is really provoking it before opening your mouth and screwing pure government 911 propaganda. What's that? You should find out how that war started. What war started? And before opening your mouth and spewing pure government 9/11 propaganda. What is all that about? No idea what that comment's all about. Robbie Cooper, even if it's 4 minutes, can guarantee I will still be trading stocks. Why not? We've got nothing else to do. NRSN. Virgin Galactic's pumping. Oh, Virgin Galactic. It could be a fake out, though. NRSN. I'm going to check that. Is Seb Dean one of my members? No. If you're one of my members, I will review the stock for you right now. But I can only do that for members. It's a members perk. I can do it when it's quiet and we've got nothing else to do. But if you want me to review stocks, buy the stock sometimes, make a video on it, so on and so forth, you need to be a member. NRSN is the Dementia stock. Oh, Robbie Cooper is a member. Right. Robbie Cooper is a member. NRSN. Okay, now I can bring it up. Neurosense Therapeutics. Let's have a quick look. The portfolio is coming up. Did you buy the dips? Right, there we go. Neurosense Therapeutics up 49%. This was, you said this, Robbie Cooper. You said this yesterday. Wow, look at that. Nudge it, budget move. I like Tenerife. Went on my enemy. It was great. We're talking about hello Tenerife. Nudge it, budget move it. It's on Tenerife. It's in Tenerife. There we go. Look at that. Look at that for a bounce. 148% this week. Don't chase the stocks. Did you know that Ukraine... Did you know that Right, okay, I'm not going to read out that. That looks pretty aggressive to me. Neurosense, look at that. The main portfolio was lifting up. It's now dropped back down again. It's going back down again. Be very, very careful. Could be a fake out. Virgin Galactic is coming back up. Just be very wary. Watching about 30 dolphins from the pool. Oh, we love it. Send it. Call in live. Nudge it, budget, move it. Oh, you damn it! You're not a member. If you're a member, you can see the Discord. You can phone in. We'd love you to phone in. I can't see these comments, Martin. Who is saying that? It is a keyboard. Do you not see keyboard? Oh, it was deleted by Ali Isles. That was why. Ali Isles took care of it. Ali Isles, one of our moderators, took care of it. Have a look. Its info is interesting. Robbie Cooper, I will. Long-term cure. Must have removed him. Yes, he did. I wonder if I've muted this guy. I don't know where these comments are coming from. It's a guy called A Keyboard. I love when people use their real names. Hang on. A Keyboard is a member of our channel. A Keyboard is a member. He's a new member. He's a green badge member at the moment, which means he's only been a member for less than 3 months. It's not controversial. It's not aggressive. It's controversial. Okay. A Keyboard, that's fine. You can share your comments. Please do. He's a member of our channel. As long as he's not being offensive or aggressive towards anybody, that's absolutely fine. Okay, all right, here we go. Moderators, do your thing. Okay. Where are we going right now? Where are we going right now? We've got 38 watching right now. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Come into the chat. Give us a thumbs up. Over on TikTok, come and join us. Right. Who wants to be in our cash giveaway in the morning? We are giving away a cash prize in the morning. Here is our competition video. All you've got to do is watch it through, all the way through, and leave a comment, including the word Polestar, and you will be in the draw for the morning. If you want to receive our very first newsletter, it goes out on Sunday. It comes every Sunday at the same time. There is the invitation for the newsletter. Once you click on that link, you need to put in your email and only your email. I will never use your email, spam your email. I will never sell your email or ask for any information whatsoever. Put in your email, subscribe, and then I will then send you the newsletter. But you have to then verify the email in your inbox. So make sure that you search for the email in your inbox. Paul B says yearly. It's not bloody yearly. Don't listen to Paul B. He's talking rubbish. The newsletter comes out every Sunday at 2 p.m. in the UK and 9 a.m. Central, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern. So if you don't receive it within 5 minutes of that time on Sunday, you know that you haven't been signed up properly, okay? Right, the overall, here we go. Neuroscience dropping back down again. That's why you never chase a stock. Once it's bounced up, it'll sell off and then it'll go up again. It could be interesting though, a cure for, is it a cure for Alzheimer's? Thank you very much. Here comes my coffee for the morning. Here we go. Good morning, everybody. Cheers out of one of my day trader mugs. If you got your day trader mug yet, go to the shop, martynlucas.com/shop. Remember, you always make money if you have a day trader mug. It brings you luck. martynlucas.com/shop. And then go into the day trader shop, not the Martyn Lucas shop, right? Because I've got the music shop and I've got the day trader shop. Right, there we go. Back down again. That's why I didn't buy the dips this morning. Cure for Parkinson's, dementia, motor neuron disease. Really? Let's have a deeper look. It's a clinical-based biotechnology company. The firm is focused on discovering and developing treatments for patients suffering from debilitating neurodegenerative diseases. It is involved in the 2B to 3 clinical trial using the product candidate Prime C in patients with ALS and also commencing research into the possible indications for the drug, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Has it got the cure then? Well, just out of support to you, there you go. Just out of support to you, I just bought some. Welcome, Riviani. Great. We got a guest here. Srivani. Srivani has just come in. Oh, we got Alex. Alex wants to go live with me. Look at him. Bloody hell. Everybody, nudge it, budget, move it. Alex is over in Tenerife on our Discord. Sorry, not Discord. He's over there on, what do you call it? TikTok. That's what I meant to say. He's over on TikTok. He's just called in. So what we're going to do now, we're going to search for him, okay? Bring him up. We're doing a little group, what do you call it? A group video thing on TikTok. Oh, some half-naked lady just walked past the screen. Hello. I missed that. What was that? Right, here we go. Let's go over to the phone a minute. Here we go. This is Nudge It, Budget, Move It in Tenerife with his dolphins. Oh, there we go. Some naked man just walked past. Oh, don't do that again. Oh yeah, some old naked man. If there's any ladies walking past naked, everybody'd love that. right? But not the naked men, all right? If you can try not to show naked men on the show, that would be good. Mind you, Ali Arles might appreciate it. We want to be all inclusive. What is it we say? Want to be all inclusive. So there you go. All right. Who's that sitting there? Oh, he's having a little walkabout now. Giveaway link. All right, I'll give it to you now. Oh, is that your feet? That's Nudge It Budget's feet this morning. All right. We'll come back to you, and I'm going to keep my eye on you, but I'm going to come back to you in a second when you show me something more interesting than the floor. He's going to walk somewhere, so we'll bring him back. Right, neuroscience is just going down a little bit. When he finds me something more interesting, I'll come back. All right. He's just going to show us the scenery in a minute. All right. All right. The S&P is going back down. That's why I didn't buy the dips. Neuroscience, we'll keep it there, look. Overall portfolio is falling down. I'll go on holiday, all inclusive. Let's go on holiday together. We're tuned in the wrong show here. Yeah, you are. There you go. Well, it's still Pride Month for another few hours. There you go. So we want to include everybody. Right. Let me give, someone just asked, Srivani, Ali Arles, just kidding. What did he say? Giveaway link, please. Here we go. Here is the giveaway video. If you want to be in the competition for tomorrow, every Friday I do a cash prize. I basically give a cash prize away every Friday, free to enter, free for all. There is the video. I put it 3 times in the chat. All right, there it is in the chat. And you click on the video, leave a comment, Polestar, and you'll be in. Let's go back to Nudge It, Budget, Move It. There he is. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. We're looking at the beach now. Show me something good. Show me something good. All right? Show me something good. I want to show all the day traders something good. He's showing me the beach. Look, he's zooming in. Everybody wants to see naked ladies and naked men, apparently. That's what's coming up in the chat. Ali Isles, so is there any naked men walking around? Or is there any naked ladies walking around? So we want to see a bit of that. He's looking on the boat. No, we can't see anything on the boat. We'll come back to Nudge It, Budget, Move It in a minute. All right. We'll keep him on the screen, and we'll come back if he shows me anything interesting. All right. Okay, let's have a look. Keep zooming, Paul B. Oh, hello. Here we go. What's he got here? Somebody walking down on the beach. There we go. Look. He zoomed in on this lady on a skateboard. Do they realise they're on YouTube? Look, does that lady know she's on YouTube right now? Go and tell her. Run up to somebody and say, Martyn Lucas, the day trader, is famous, and you are now live on TikTok, on YouTube. They'll go, how can I be live on YouTube, on TikTok? How can that be true? Go and do it. Run up to somebody. Run up to somebody right now and say, and tell them. All right? Let's see if he does it. Go up to anybody. Have you got any friends? Have you not got any friends, maybe he's on his own. Maybe he's got no friends. He can't talk to anybody. Right? He needs to go to Los Americas to find them. Right. Apparently, Uzi Maki said you need to go to Los Americas. Martyn Lucas famous for cutting the neighbour's garden. Martyn Lucas is famous for cutting the neighbour's garden. That's right. I am famous for cutting the neighbour's garden. What platform does everyone use from the UK use to trade? ETORO is the one that I have. I have an account in ETORO. Seb Dean. There he is. Go up to somebody. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is in Tenerife, coming live to us on the show. What you want to do, Nudge It, is go up to somebody. Stop showing me people in the distance because I think you've got no friends. Are you there on your own? Is your wife there? If your wife's there, get your wife on the phone. Give us a wave. No, don't use eToro. No, I don't like it, but that's the only one that I have. Revolt is convenient but limited in stock options. I use eToro. That's the one I have for the UK. I don't like it, but it's the one I have. Ali, agree. Neuroscience. Vanguard S&P is now down 1.5. Virgin Galactic, this is why I didn't buy it this morning. It's not the best, but very user-friendly. That's what I thought. I have it, but I don't like it, though. I prefer Robinhood, but there you go. I'm in the US. We're spending some time in Tenerife this morning. We are. We're spending some time in Tenerife this morning. Virgin Orbit is up 0.85. That's better. That's better. Another day, another bloodbath. Market profit. We've got Nudge it, budget, move it. Alex Hunt, who's over there in Tenerife, and he's trying to find. There he goes. There we go. Go up to somebody. Go up to somebody and say, "I've got Martyn Lucas, the world piano man, on YouTube. Say hello." Let's see if he does it. Come on, go up to somebody. You must have a friend. He must. He won't do it. I think he's on his own. He's got no friends. Go up to somebody, Alex, and say, "Martyn Lucas is on YouTube and he wants to say hello." If someone gives us away, I'll give out a prize. If you can get someone on the screen right now to wave at me and say, "Hello, it's Martyn Lucas," so anything, just wave at me. I might give out a prize. I might give out a prize. I don't know if I will. If Robinhood comes to the UK, I'll probably switch over. It will at some point, but they've got no plans right now. They was going to, but because of the downturn and everything else, they've held back from it, because I imagine it costs a lot of money. And right now they've held back. It's on ice, as you say. It's on hold. All right, we'll come back to Nudge It, Budget, Move It if he finds somebody to talk to. We want to see if he's got he must have someone to talk to, right? Robinhood is diving again. So be careful of these fake outs. It's very, very difficult. Let's have a look right now. Ethereum is down 0.76. If you're over on TikTok right now and you're watching me on TikTok, come and join us here on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in my profile. All right. Okay. Bitcoin is going to, everything's crashing. Oh, Bitcoin is now 18,000. Heading towards 10,000 now. There it goes. Bitcoin SV is also down. And Phase Energy is up. One of my positions. I love this one. Thanks, said Sebdean. What did you say thanks for? What did I do? Seb, Instagram, I should have it. There we go. There you go. Sebdean. Sebdean, if you want my eTORO link, I can give it to you. And when I ever get some money from eTORO for referring people, I'm giving it to you guys. So if you want my link for eTORO, I have said that the referral money I get from people from eTORO, I'm giving to you. So here is my eTORO account. Go to my All Links button and scroll down, and there it is. See it? There's my All Links button. And if you click on my eTORO link, when I get my referral money, I'm giving it to you. I've never had any money yet. They've been terrible. But when they do, I will eventually give somebody some money. Ginkgo Bioworks going. Look at Enphase Energy today. I keep making money on Enphase Energy. My overall portfolio is trying to bounce back. Will use your link. Thank you very much. Yeah, I said to people I would give them my referral money, but I've never had any money yet. So it's been rubbish. I've got to message them. I haven't chased it up, to be honest. Neuroscience, beg your pardon. I bought 50 shares this morning in support of Uzumaki. Was it Uzumaki? May have been somebody else. Not sure now. Anyway, Neuroscience. Vanguard S&P is trying to push up. Virgin Galactic is now trying to push up again. But be very wary. It's still got more to go down, I think. It's the big shakeout before it takes off. Not me, you didn't. No, it wasn't you. Somebody, I don't know. Tesla's going back up again. Rivian, 25. All-time low. Want to buy some more Rivian? The Amazon trucks. Rivian is good. I wouldn't mind a bit more Rivian. That's all-time low right now. Rivian, we're at an all-time low. No, 1925 was the low. So hold fire. You've got to be very careful now with your investments. Market profit, a cash-only day today. It was me. Hold and wait for the results. Robbie Cooper, I'm holding. Yes, I'm holding. So when are the results out, Robbie? When are the results out for this? Thank you, Nudge It, Budget, Move It, by the way, for sending that great link in today. We really appreciated it. Market profit, a cash-only day today. The portfolio is trying to come back up again. Neuroscience, we're watching that one now. We just added that to our position, our portfolio. 29 likes right now. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. Let's try and get to 30 likes. Right, tomorrow is a big day on our channel. Tomorrow, we're trying to make our YouTube channel really take off. Why? I'm doing a Kickstarter campaign to go to the Virgin Orbit space station and make a film. This is the campaign. It goes live tomorrow in 9 minutes. And guys, what I'm trying to ask to do is we're trying to go viral on Kickstarter. And how you go viral, allegedly, apparently, which is what I've researched. I don't know. I've never done it. But it's what they say. If you can get funded in 1 hour and the campaign looks exciting and everyone's engaging, they will promote it on Kickstarter. And that will introduce me to a whole world of people that I'm hoping will come onto the YouTube channel. That's the idea. So tomorrow morning, in 9 minutes from now, around about the time we do our cash giveaway, I am doing the Kickstarter campaign. The Kickstarter campaign is costing me thousands of dollars to go to the UK, to make a film, to interview people for Virgin Orbit. But what I'm doing is I've funded most of it myself, other people to support me, but I can't complete it. Can't complete it. I need $500. So I'm asking the lowest amount to get funding. Now, hopefully, it will overfund. Hopefully. But I know $500 is a lot to ask. But it's not a GoFundMe. It's not a donation. It's not give me free money. It's not that. And you only invest, and it is an investment because you become part of the film. You'll be included in the film. You only invest if it gets funded. So if everyone tomorrow donates $50 or pledges $50 for an investment, you only pay if I get funded, and then I have to deliver the product. And then you get your investment return. That's the point, okay? So there you go. Bet you're up on NRSN. Let's have a look. NRSN. Yes, I am. I am up $3.10. I have just 50 shares. That's all. There we go. It's going back up again. At least I'm making money somewhere today. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Moe Miller. How are you, Moe Miller? Thank you for your contact. That was a great interview yesterday. Everybody loved it. Really, really great. Thank you so much indeed. Right, we got 29 likes now. We want one more like. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My portfolio is going down again. You see now why I didn't buy Virgin Galactic this morning. Can you see why now I didn't? Because it's constantly faking out right now. You have to hold. Yesterday, I bought 300 and sold the 300 at the end of the day and made a very small profit. Very small profit. But I'm back out again. I have my 1,400 shares and I will buy more as it approaches $4 because I think it's going to go that low. I do. Before it takes off. I do. So I'm holding. It might not hit 4, but that's where it's heading towards. I know right now it's $1 cheaper per share. I'm down $1,400. NRSN is gaining momentum. NRSN. I am now up $12. I've got 50 shares this morning. Look at this. NRSN, it fell off a cliff. It went all the way up. Right, look at that. 422. Will it break through? Yes, it's broken through. Oh, hang on. It's hit that point before and then dropped all the way down again. This is an important moment. Look. Oh no, it's been up to 623. Sometimes the charts, when you zoom in the 5 year, you don't see everything, do you? So that's where it was. Look, it's been as high as 623. Whoa, look at this. I'm up 9%. Great. You will get me kicked out first day here. What's that? Because I was getting you to speak to people. Yeah, I'll get you kicked out. Yeah, behave yourself. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to what the day trader says. Right. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. We got our big Kickstarter tomorrow. Now then, has everybody, please, as everybody, you don't need to commit. You don't need to pledge any money at all. But just, please, just click on the invitation for the Kickstarter. You don't have to. All you got to do, because tomorrow morning we're trying to get pledged and funded in 1 hour. You don't have to be an investor in the project. But if you set up an account now and click remind of launch, you'll be reminded and you'll be involved. Because tomorrow it'll all be over within an hour. That's what I'm trying to do. We've got 18 followers right now. So if you can, click on the Kickstarter. It's in the chat right now. And set up an account. We've got 18 followers. I just checked it. 18 followers. All right. Okay. Tried mixing Malibu with banana syrup and Coke. Not sure about that one. No, I wouldn't. That don't sound very good, mate. That don't sound very good. Right, I'm up 8% now on NeuroSense. The portfolio, look at, oh, we're under 30,000 now. We're losing money. That is mainly because of Virgin Galactic and S&P. My biggest part of my portfolio is the S&P, going back down 6% now. Virgin Galactic is now going down. This is a big drop today. Virgin Orbit is holding up though. I'm down just 2% on it. Tesla is down 1.78. Market profit thinks it's going down all the way. I hope that doesn't happen. I really don't. But we are losing big time now. Rivian. Lucid. Yeah, we're in for a big crash today. All the stocks. Look at Arrival. Arrival didn't do well yesterday after UPS. Is Arrival going to go bust? It can't go on forever at these prices. It won't be able to raise funds. If it keeps on dropping, keeps dipping, it won't be able to. Amazon slaughtered today. Circle stablecoin pegged to the euro is officially live. Circle stablecoin pegged to the euro is officially live. Breaking news from Paul B. Thank you very much indeed. Apple is down 2.84. Kramer says, never trade Apple, just own it. Nudge it, budget, move it, limited. Try the local caramel vodka. Life-changing. Sounds good. I'm glad you're having a good time, mate, where we're all sitting here on bloody working, losing all our money. Robinhood is down. Look at it, straight off a cliff. Everything is now down again today. It's getting worse. Google. Microsoft. Meta. I said there'd be one last leg down. This is the beginning of it. It's not the end of it by any means. PayPal. It's a big rinse out. Rolls-Royce. I want to get my money out of that one. Walmart. I'm not in a position to buy any more. I'm really not. I will be forced to, though, if things continue like this. I asked the question earlier. I'm going to end the poll now. Has World War III already started? 66% say no. But what's worrying is 33%, 34% say yes. I mean, you know, if we'd asked you a year ago as World War III started, it would have been 100% no. Now we have 33% are saying yes. So there you go. Interesting, right? Scary stuff. Neurosense, I'm up 2.25%, small position, 50 shares. Uzi Mackie, I was looking for, no, not Uzi Mackie, sorry, I beg your pardon. Robbie Cooper, when is the results coming out? I meant results as in rewards. Oh, okay. They're aiming for FDA approval by the end of the year, beginning. Okay, they're aiming for FDA approval by the end of the year, beginning 2023. Well, if you get FDA approval, my God, that'd be one of the biggest stocks in the world. If you can get the cure for Alzheimer's, that will be a big swing upwards. I'll tell you that. There's no doubt about it. If Neurosense can come up with the cure for Alzheimer's, get ready for one almighty swing. Forget 50%, forget 100%. You'd be talking more than 1,000%. Be careful, guys. Don't use your margin. Scary times right now. It's getting worse. Markets are going down again. Market profit predicted all of this. I could go all in on margin right now, but that would be very scary to do right now. Start buying up all these dips. I think we've got more pain to come, guys. I think we've got more pain, and if World War breaks out, I don't know where we're going. Right. And remember, the biggest thing you have to be concerned with, some of these companies won't be around. They'll go bust. Now then, I want to mention, let's have a look at our average, 2.7. Oh, hang on. What did we get in today? Today we only averaged 4.7. You know why that was? And my friend was right. Shadstream, you were right. Today we only averaged 4.7. Because you're right. We got the big numbers at the end. That's why it's only 4.7. Okay, so I'm going to ask a poll because I think we can do a lot better than that. So I'm going to ask a poll now and see if we can do a half an hour stream with 11 people again and get that up, because 4.7, we could have done a lot better than that. Who would jump on Twitch for 30 mins? Okay. Who would jump on Twitch for 30 minutes? If I can get a really good number, I'll open it up again. Because you're right. You were absolutely right, Shadstream. I had it open, and then because I ended it, the 11 were only in the last 10 minutes. Who would jump on Twitch? All right, for 30 minutes. Okay. It needs to be 30 minutes. Who would jump on Twitch for 30 minutes? So let me ask everybody. If I can get a big number, more than 4.7, we'll open it up again. Okay? And see if we can get it up. Right then. Now then. We are still hemorrhaging big time. Big time. Neurosense is going up. Vanguard S&P is down. On my way, do it. Well, I haven't started it yet. I want to make sure that see, most people are saying no. And there's no point doing it unless I get more than 47. Okay? I've got 2 people that'll do it. We need at least, there's no point doing it for less than 8 or 9 people. Otherwise, it just won't work, right? Okay. Virgin Galactic is down 4%. I'm waiting to buy more, but not yet. Virgin Orbit is doing well. Okay. Tesla, one of the biggest parts of my portfolio, hemorrhaging money. Rivian going down. Lucid going down. Polestar going down. Arrival down. Amazon down. Right, let me see how many I've got now. Just over half. So that's 4. I think that's 4 said they would. It's not enough yet. It's not enough yet. I need at least 6 or 7, really. Otherwise, there's no point doing it. Because my average today was 4.7. Very big hedge fund in Canada dumped all their BTC. So, yeah, I think it started. Here we go. Ethereum is down nearly 8% today. BTC is down 5.6, 18.8. Bitcoin SV is also down. Enphase Energy is going down. Ginkgo Bioworks fallen off a cliff. Some of these companies will go bust now. I just want to warn everybody of that now. You could buy dips for a while, but eventually the company will go bust because you can't raise money. The company isn't worth anything. These are public companies. They're only worth what the share price is. That's the market cap. Once it goes under $1, you're in real trouble. Tesco is down 3%. Walmart is trying to push back up again. Rolls-Royce trying to come up. We're all going to graduate this school with a doctorate in nerves of craziness. All right, how many have I got now? Just over half. Say, how many is that? Just over half. So that means I have 7. I think I have 7. Okay, I have 7 now. I have 7 of you, so it's worth opening Twitch. So here we go, and we're gonna keep it open until the end of the show, okay? Which is about half an hour-ish, something like that, okay? All right, so you ready? Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn on Twitch right now. Get ready to go. Let's get ready to do it. So I need at least 7 of you, 8 of you to help me out. We're trying to get affiliated on Twitch so we can promote YouTube. And if we can get it for tomorrow on my Kickstarter, that's really, really important. Right, here goes Twitch. Here we go. Let's see if we can wake it up now. We've got 4.7 average today. We want to improve on that. Okay, here goes Twitch. Let's see what happens. All right, we're live on Twitch right now. Let's see if we can get... It's the same show on YouTube. That is on YouTube. Please do not abandon YouTube for it. But if you can open a separate tab, that would be great. There you go. There's the Twitch. I'll give it you 3 times in the chat. We're all working as a family, as a team. The idea is if we can get affiliated on Twitch, we could get more viewers on YouTube. We could get more success for the channel, the giveaways, and everything else that we do here. Okay, here we go. Neurosense Therapeutics. I am on a wash right now. Vanguard S&P is just trying to come back up again. I'm down 7% right now. I'm not buying any more, though. I'd love to, but I'm not. Sorry, I've been away. Did I win? I love it. Signed up for eTORO. Great. I might have an email then. Let me have a look. Let me have an email. Let me check my emails. eTORO. Your friend Seb Dean has just joined eTORO. Yes. Look. This. Oh, I'm not going to reveal your email. Look. I will share with you on the screen. Seb Dean has joined eTORO. There it is. Your friend Seb Dean has accepted your invitation. I do have to contact eTORO and say, oi, I've referred all these people. You've given me absolutely nothing for it. And you said you would give me, like, I think it was $10 or something like that or whatever. And I was going to share it with you guys, but I've had nothing yet. So when I do, I will let you know. And I really need to message them today. I haven't messaged them. I haven't chased it up. I shouldn't need to, but I will. I will today message them because it's pretty disgusting, really. Anyway, right. We're watching Twitch right now. We have 2 viewers, it says to me. Hopefully it will go up in a second. I'm watching very closely. Right. Now then. On Sunday, our very first email newsletter. Please sign up for it. There's going to be competitions, games, fun, all sorts of stuff that you don't get anywhere else. All right, there is our weekly newsletter. Comes out every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. The link's in the chat. Okay, that is our all links button. When you go there, you will see this at the top of the screen. You click, you put your email in. I want nothing else from you. I don't take any information other than your email. I will never sell it or share it or spam it, I promise. Okay, secure server. You click subscribe now. You can always unsubscribe from it as well if you wish to, if you don't like it. And then you check your email inbox for the verification email to confirm you wish to receive it. Without that, and many of you have done that, have not done that, I won't be able to send you the newsletter. Right. We now have a circulation and distribution of 35 people. We only launched it on Sunday. I'm going to check it again now and see if we've gained any more readers. Readers? Viewers? That's what you call it, I guess, for a newspaper, right? All right. eTORO is rubbish. Yeah, well, that's the UK version. It's nothing like Robinhood, we know that, but it's very limited in the UK to get stuff, to get brokerages other than ones that have high commissions and stuff like that. That's why Robinhood is so good. Our portfolio is still diving. Yeah, still 35. No one signed up today. And our followers for the Kickstarter tomorrow in 23 hours is still 18. If you've not yet registered your Kickstarter, remember, you don't have to invest at all in the project. Just follow me, help me grow on Kickstarter so we can go viral within the hour if we get funded. Trading 2-on-2 or free trade for the UK beginner. There's another option for you, trading 2-on-2 or free trade. Anything is better than Quest Trade. Canada blows. Liam Kelly is sharing that one. Okay. Neurosense is holding up. I'm down 2.63 on it at the moment. Vanguard S&P is trying to push up. I'm not buying these dips. It's just fake outs over and over again. Virgin Galactic, I want to buy more. I'm losing a huge amount of money right now. I'm down $1,300 today. It's not good. Total return is down $1,300. 14% right now. I'm not buying the dip yet because there's very much fear that it could go as low as $4. Virgin Orbit popped up and now that's falling back. Tesla is going down. Market profits loving this. Because he's waiting with all his cash on the side, waiting to buy the bottom. When's the bottom coming? We've only got 2 on Twitch. What happened? What happened? It said... oh, hang on a minute. Oh, hang on. 60% said no, which means 40% said yes. So, what's that? 18, 9, 8, 7. 7 people. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I beg your pardon. You are there now. I apologise. You are there now. All right, let me end the poll. There are 6 of you. Great. So I'm going to hold 6 until the end of the show. So if you guys can remain in Twitch till the end of the show, it'll take our average up to 6 today rather than 4.1. Okay. We're waiting for, it's difficult right now. What are we going to do? eToro, Ethereum, it's trying to push back up. Who's buying Ethereum now at $1,000? Bitcoin, 18.9. You want a dollar cost average on the way down? My average is 20. I've got a very, very, very small, insignificant position. 20,000. I see it as a lottery ticket right now. Just buying it on the way down. Down to 19,000 now. $5.78 down today. I wonder how much I need to buy to get it under 20,000. 20 bucks. This is very, very small investing right now. Let's see what happens now. There we go. Average cost, 19,961. There you go. Got an average of 19,000 now. Never thought I'd see that. There you go. 19,000. That's the way I do it. Don't go all in on it. Just buy it. Just buy the dollar cost average on the way down. There's no reason to think it's not going to go lower. Just dollar cost average. My BSV position, I'm done with that. I own enough. I own 11 Bitcoin. All right, so I don't need to ever buy any more. I don't care how low it goes. Right, I'm not buying any more BSV. You've heard me say it. I'm not buying any more BSV. I own 11. 11 Bitcoin. That's it. That's all I need to own, right? If I could get 11 BTC, I'd never buy any more of that either. Would be any point, would there? How rich do you need to be? So there we go. Just dollar cost averaging, 18,000 now. There are people with an average, remember, of 60,000. So I've got a third of the price. I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know if it's going to go to zero, but it makes sense to me to buy on the way down. 6 viewers on Twitch, says Chris Cole. Thank you ever so much indeed. Yes, we are showing 6, and we're going to keep it there to the end of the show. Space is trying to for some sort of rise. Let's have a look. Space. Oops, gone back down again. People are thinking it's going to go to $4. The more this bear market continues, the more people are just holding out now and expecting. Oh, we've got 8 viewers now on Twitch. Awesome stuff. Thanks, guys. Nobody should be buying anything, in my opinion. Might stick to free trade. Very simple, which I like at the moment. And I'm not new as I'm new to trading. I'm only 18. Sebdean, yeah, you got to do what's right for you. The only one I recommend is Robinhood, because I use it all the time. I do have eToro. I do have some money in eToro. I have set it all up. But yes, I'm not setting up any more. I just wanted to cover it for my UK audience so I could give you the referral. When I get it, I will. What happened yesterday? I missed one day and my portfolio looks like even more garbage than it already was. We had a great day yesterday. We had a superstar on our show. He's been interviewed by Fox and all the major networks. You know, we had a big influencer yesterday, a big knowledge in the crypto space yesterday. If you've not seen yesterday's video, I strongly recommend you do. Let me give everyone the link from yesterday's show. This is yesterday's show. If you go past live streams on the Day Trader, look, past live streams, this was the closing bell yesterday. It had nearly 400 views already. Very, very popular video, this one. We had a great guest yesterday, and I'm going to give everyone the link. You want to go and check this out later, and I think you might find this interesting. This guy was one of our best interviews we've ever had, I think. There it is. I put it 3 times in the chat. It was a guy called Kurt Workert. He's been on all the major networks. This is not just to some YouTuber spouting nonsense. This was a big deal. So I'm just going to bring him on. You'll see now in a few seconds' time, and when it comes back in, I'll show you. If you've not checked it out, go and have a look. Nate Miller is here. Good morning, all. Sorry I'm late. I had to run errands. I hope to God CLVS squeezes. I'm sorry I'm late. I love that. Have you brought a note? Have you brought apology? I'm sorry I'm late. Do we accept that? Do we accept that? Do we accept his apology? What do you reckon? This is the worst 6 months for the NASDAQ ever in history. It is. Oh, nice. I'll need to go back and watch that. I think you do. I believe BTC will touch 16,000 and 17.6 before going back up. Maybe lower, but I believe 16,000 will be the bottom. That's what Leonardo thinks. So, you know, the way I see it right now, there's so much uncertainty with Bitcoin and all the rest of it. I'm dollar cost averaging. That's all I'm doing is dollar cost averaging, not going all in. It's a very, very, very small part of my portfolio. It's not much more than a lottery ticket right now. If I'm honest, not worried one bit. Robbie Cooper, it's dipping a bit. So now what you do, if you think that this is good news for the future, what I would do is buy another 50 when it halves. That's how I will play that right now. And then hold it. That's what I will do. Okay? As we like to do here on the Day Trader, we always buy high and sell low. It's what we love to do. We love giving money to everybody else. We love giving money to everybody else. All right. Yeah, this was the video from yesterday. Look at this. This guy was great. One of my best speakers I've ever had on the show. Really, really great. Really informative. It's had 71 likes, this video, already. One of our best videos. 71 likes, 383 views already. It was very popular. Strongly recommend you watch that video if you've not yet seen it. Whole lot of red. Why 16,000? Yes, that's the thing that always baffles me when people give predictions of where they see a price of Bitcoin going. I don't see how there's any evidence to say or give any indication why. Thank you ever so much, everybody over there on Twitch. Thank you. We're holding 8. Brilliant, which is more than before, so we're going to hold that until the end of the show. Right, it's Day Trader of the Day coming up right after the short interval. Here comes the interval. Here comes a break. Make sure that you press the live button and you turn grey to red. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. There's the commercial break. Some of you saw it. Some of you saw it. Some of you didn't. Wonderful stuff. And we're at 3,708 subscribers now. When we get 5,000, Greg Dickerson is coming back on the show. That'll be very nice. He was a good interview as well. We really enjoyed a good guest. That's what I meant to say. Sorry. He was really great. So there we go. Thank you ever so much. So, Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main portfolio and give us your score. I'm down 4.64%. Again, awful. I'm approaching my all-time low of 28,000 again. It's my all-time low. That's the lowest I've ever been, and we're getting down there again. So here's my score, and I'm going to give everybody a minute on the clock to come on in and post your scores. Are you ready? Vanguard S&P is up down 1.83. Virgin Galactic is just falling down and down and down. Virgin Orbit, swing trading today. Here we go. Here comes our scores. Here comes our scores. Let me put 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. You ready? And we'll do that for you right now. Here we go. All right. With the real Toshi, please stand up. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Down 4.64. Down 2.13. Liam Kelly is down 5.63. 5.63. So far the winner goes to Restream, who is down the least, just down 2.13. Just, well, up. We have a winner. Who's up? Uzi Maki is up 0.12. Robbie Cooper will probably be the winner with all his Neuro stock. Ali Tisro is down 6%. He's got a big position in crypto, of course. Ali Isles is down 14%. There we go. There we go. Ali Isles is down. Ouch, that's a big one. Scraping and up. Well done, Uzi Maki. Do we have anybody else up who beats that? Up 35% today. Absolutely. I said Robbie Cooper would get this today. Dexter Sickles is down 4.36. Robbie Cooper. Now, Robbie Cooper, I'm just going to remind everybody on the show a couple of days ago, I think it was Robbie Cooper. He said, depending how much money I make on Virgin Galactic, which he hadn't, he said, will determine how much I can back your Kickstarter campaign. Now, we know this will be interesting because we know he's lost money on Virgin Galactic, as we all have, but he's made a ton of money on Neuro. So maybe tomorrow he might be one of my backers. Who knows? We'll find out in the morning. Anyway, congratulations to Robbie Cooper. We're going to give Robbie Cooper the prize this morning. I told you he would win. Soon as we talked about NeuroSense, have you taken a profit or are you holding? And there's nothing wrong with taking a profit. Robbie Cooper can pay the whole 500. Yay! Get funded in 1 hour. Boom. Go viral on Kickstarter. Boom. If Robbie Cooper was a backer of that magnitude, not only would he be in the film, because the big backers get in the film, he'd be credited on the film, he will receive all sorts of benefits and on a return to his investment. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Maybe it'll be viral in the morning. Anyway, let's give Robbie Cooper a big thank you for his honest trades. A big thumbs up. I've sold half my position at 401. We'll buy back other half later today. Just keep trading it to gain more shares. Just keep trading it to gain more. Well, you can do that if you're up, mate. You can do that if you're up. Bloody hell. The rest of us merely can't, right? The rest of us bought in too late. So there we go. And big round of applause. Everybody congratulate Robbie Cooper. There we go. Robbie Cooper. Nice one. Robbie Cooper, congratulations to you. Just keep trading it to gain more shares. Well, that's all right as long as you're making money, but you can't trade it if you're down, and I'm down. I have lost $18 because of you. Ooh, Robbie Cooper, it's all your fault. I blame Robbie Cooper. I am down $18 today because of Robbie Cooper. $18 out of my 1,300. There you go. To be fair, Robbie Cooper said buy it yesterday. To be fair, he said buy it yesterday. If I bought it yesterday, oh, yes, I would have been doing great. But I didn't, did I? A $18 loss a day is worth 200 gain next month. Yep. Let's hope so, mate, because I can't go on like this for much longer. My portfolio is going to be worth 1 cent at this rate. Anyway, we got 30 likes now on YouTube. Thank you much indeed. Let me check my Twitch. Are we still holding? Oh, 10. Get in. We got a few minutes to go. Well, we're going to end the stream. When we end the stream, the whole show will end it on Twitch at the same time. So we'll get a nice average. Right. Now, of course, we are back for the closing bell this afternoon. Tomorrow, why I'm doing this is I want to go viral on Kickstarter. And it says if you get funded in an hour, they promote you. I don't know if it's true. I've not done it before. But you want to be successful. And I know I'm a small channel. I know I know it's costing me several $1,000s to make this film, to go there, to film, to edit, to interview. I know that. But I know that I'm a small channel, and I know I could not have got $5,000. Maybe I will. I don't know. But right now, I'm accepting the fact that I'd have to fund most of it myself, which is what I've done. I've used all my money I've got. Family and friends have lent me money. Leah's supporting me, my wife. So that way I've asked for the least amount. Because if you only get funded if you get all of what you ask for. So, and even 500, I'm thinking, bloody hell, I don't know if I'm going to get 500. We only got about, I think, $50 on the anniversary show for the channel. So I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I'm hoping. I don't know. But if I get funded within the first hour, it runs for 2 weeks. The campaign runs for 2 weeks, but it's the first hour you want to get funded. If it gets funded in the first hour, it will then continue it will then get funded, which means we know we're going to get the money. It will then keep going, and the idea is then Kickstarter will promote it and up it will go, and then hopefully it'll overfund for the true value. Virgin Galactic, we are seeing a bit of a bounce back. 582, come on, get in. Did I buy the dips today? No, because it could go lower again. Oh, we broke 30,000. This is looking better. I'm 30,000 again. I like seeing the 3. I hate seeing the 2. It looks so disastrous. Anyway, we are coming back up. Did I buy the dips this morning? No. All I bought today was Neurosense. That's all I bought today. Nothing else. Vanguard S&P was down 6%. Overall now, 1.64. That's trying to push back up. Virgin Galactic is having a good bounce. But I'm not brave enough, I'm afraid. I haven't got the money available to buy lower. I've got no cash on hand to do it. That's only margin, and knowing that it could go lower. If you can, make sure you stick in Twitch. We've got 7 viewers right now. We need to keep that. We don't want to go lower than 7. One of you's dropped off. We had 3. We had 10 have dropped off. We need to keep it. Oh, got 69 followers. 11 Maccas has just followed us. Well, we've got 7 now. Great. It's going up again. 69 followers. It's awesome, isn't it? Virgin Orbit is swing trading today, all over the place. All over the place. Oh dear, it's tough. It's tough right now. We all know it's tough. The portfolio is pushing up quite quickly, and of course the biggest part of that is my Virgin Galactic and the S&P. That and Tesla. Those 3 stocks make up 60% of my portfolio. The S&P, Virgin Galactic, and Tesla makes 60% of my portfolio. So they are very, very important to me. Virgin Orbit is doing great. Virgin Galactic, did you buy this dip? Oh, could have made some quite serious money there. I just couldn't afford it. It's down 4.5%. Yeah, it's gone up 2.5%. Virgin Galactic is pushing back up. There you go. Look at that. That's a big swing, but I expect it to go back down again. All it is swing trading right now. Or scalp trading even more. CLVS is up 14%. Congratulations, Nate. Congratulations. Now, don't forget tomorrow in the morning, in 23 hours, not only is the Kickstarter, but also tomorrow morning, it is our cash giveaway. If you want to be in our cash giveaway for the morning, here is the video you need to watch. Leave a comment, Polestar, and you'll be in the prize draw for the morning. Back in NRSN for another 1 hour pump. We'll sell half in another dip later. Let's have a look. There we go. Neurosense, he's bought some more at 6% down. I will wait for a bigger pullback than that. Right now, I will wait for a 10 or 20% pullback for me, personally. before I buy any more, and then I'll buy another 50. That's what I will do. That's how I'll do that. But right now, I am holding. The portfolio 3% down and having a big swing now. Big swing. We're holding it. We've got 8 now followers. We've got 8 viewers on Twitch. Thanks, guys. With 69 followers. That's awesome. Hopefully, we'll get affiliated this weekend at this rate. I want to welcome all our guests on Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course TikTok, and my website and everywhere else. Back in NRSN, says Robbie Cooper. He's waiting to trade it again. Came in at the right time, obviously. Now then, we'll open up the Discord lounge now. Let's go into the Discord lounge. If anybody would like to call in, you can call in. So I'm opening up the broadcast lounge right now. Here we go. Broadcast lounge is now open. If you wish to call in, any of our members, if you are not a member, you can't call in and you don't get any of the perks and benefits. Here it is, the invitation to join. Nearly everybody who watches our show is a member. Ask everyone why, and they will tell you what they get back for being a member. Has anybody turned gold today yet? 6 months as a member yet? We've got several gold members now. Some of you have not checked. Go into the super chat, and you'll have a free super chat, which will tell you if you've passed certain milestones as a member. I think we all heard enough of me last time. Uzi Maki. A swing trade half my NRSN shares to build up more over time, aiming for 2,000 shares eventually. I like that. He's got structure. He knows what he wants. It's very, very important to know how much of your portfolio should be in a certain stock, how much money you wish to invest in it, and stick to that. I think that's very, very important. And invest in what you understand and what you believe. Always the way to go. Dr. Nathan Smith would be a very interesting person to have in the show. One of our members. I'd love his opinion on this as well. Think we all heard enough of me last time. Uzi Maki. No, would love you to be on the show, of course. Later on this afternoon, I'm going to have your soundbite, which you recorded for me. Thank you very much indeed. And I will send that, edit that later and bring that into the show. Right. It's just a little bounce. Neurosense is trying to go back up again. Vanguard S&P. It bounced up a little bit and straight back down. See, Virgin Galactic, the same thing. If you get any profits, take it. Still down 12%. Virgin Orbit, 198. I currently try only to have 10 stocks at any one time. I only use 5% of my portfolio per position and leave some to buy dips. That's a sensible way of doing it. I think you need to know what you understand, what you believe in, and stick to that. I mean, but if you buy a dip, it's very easy. Like you've seen yesterday, I ended up with 22% of Virgin Galactic. And that's why immediately when it made any kind of profit, I sold those stocks. And remember, if you trade on Robinhood, you have to email them and tell them the lots you wish to sell. Because it's called first in, first out, FOFO. And they might sell some stocks you paid a higher price for. So you have to tell them which stocks you want to sell. Other brokerages allow you to select the shares you wish to sell. And that's important. And not everybody realizes that. And I didn't realize it for a long time. So I lost a lot of money on that. But I know now I'm not making that mistake again. Down 30,000. It does. I mean, does it really matter if it all averages out? Well, I think it does. I'd like to have more of a discussion on that. If you buy a stock at $10 and you buy another stock at $8, and then it goes up to $9, if you sell the $8 stock, you make $1. If you sell the $10 stock, you lose $1. But of course, then you've got the 8 stock left. Does it make a difference overall? It's a good point. Does it make a difference overall? It's a very good question. I would certainly, would like to sell the 8 when it goes to 9, so I know I've made a profit, and then I won't sell the one at 10 until it goes to 11. I think that's a better way of doing your accounts. I know what you're saying, though. You could sell the one at 10 for 9, and then you've still got the one at 8. I get what you're saying. Does it make a difference overall? It'd be good to kind of work that out, wouldn't it? I'd love someone to work that all out. It matters if you have a long position and you're day trading the same stock at the same time. There you go. Fusion says it matters if you have a long position. Nearly all of my stuff is long. I day trade, scalp trade, swing trade, but I generally holding for the long term. It matters if you have a long position and you're day trading the same stock at the same time. So it does matter. That's what Fusion says. Queen of Self Braiding is here. We've missed you. How are you? You missed a very, very important show yesterday. A very important show yesterday. This one here. Yesterday we had a really big guest on our show, Kurt Werkert. He's been interviewed by Fox, all the mainstream news channels, and he decided to be on my show. It was one of our best ever interviews from one of our biggest guests by a long way. And you need to listen into it. He knows a lot about crypto, and this has had a good number of views already. If you've not yet heard yesterday's interview, I strongly recommend that you go and check it out. It was very, very popular. He had a lot of his guests and friends in. He has 28,000 followers on Twitch. Not Twitch, I beg your pardon, Twitter. And as I say, he's been interviewed by all the mainstream news channels. So I was very honored to have a guest like that on our channel. Yeah, because Robbie Cooper said yes, because lower average means higher profit at the same price. If you would have had less... Hang on. Robbie Cooper says yes, because lower average means higher profit at the same price if you had had a less shares earlier. I'm not sure I fully understand, Robbie. If you want to call in, I would love to hear you explain that properly for us. If you could call in by Discord, that would be awesome. Robbie Cooper, you are a member. You have access to data. You have access to the broadcast lounge. Are you actually a member on a YouTube member on Discord? Can you see all the channels? If not, tell me and I'll make sure that you are upgraded. Good morning, Queen. You're very quiet today. Market Profit. Yes, you are quiet today. You get taxed differently on long and short positions. Fusion 301 is giving us some very important information here about taxes. We all know that if you day trade, you pay more taxes than if you waited at least a year on a stock. We all know that. Uzi Maki says, if you buy one stock for $10 and another for $8, and it displayed it as an average cost of 8, it's the same thing. No point complicating it. Average cost of 9. We discovered here recently that Robinhood has the FOFO rule, first in, first out. So it sells the stocks you paid. Now let's say I bought Virgin Galactic for $35, which I did originally. $35. And then I bought another share today at $8 or $6. right? And then the share goes up to 10 bucks. Why would I want to sell the one at $35? I'd want to sell the share that I just paid $6 for, right? Because I make a profit. Surely that makes sense. But I understand what you're saying about the average. So I don't know. We found out about the FOFO rule, and I spoke to Robinhood and they explained it to me. And they told me how to deal with it. Other brokerages allow you to choose the stocks you want to sell. Okay? Other shares you want to sell, whereas Robinhood don't do that. You have to send them an email, and they sent me a template. And they said, send this in, and we will then sell the lot you wish to sell. They told me that. So that's what I've been doing. But I'd like to know, does it make a difference overall? Just working on the computer with Martin playing in the background. Market profit, I love it. So if you got Tesla at $5 and you want to keep that as a long position, but you're day trading it at the same account, you don't want to sell those long-term positions. That's right. You would have to sell all your stock in that position to matter. That's what Mike says. And you can get a wash sale, etc. if it gets complicated when you have a long position and a short at the same time. Ideally, and I would love this, and Robinhood said they're working on this. When I spoke to Robinhood, they said they are working on this. They are going to have lots soon where you can choose. Because what I would like to do, Robinhood, to have 2 accounts. Shares I buy and hold for a long time, till I retire. So I buy Robinhood, I buy Tesla, I buy Virgin Galactic, and I never sell it. I just keep buying the dips. And I just keep holding it. Never sell it. Sell it in 20 years' time when I retire. And then have another account for day trading or, short term, maybe a week. So you can come in and buy and sell. I would love that feature. I would love that feature if they would ever allow that. That's what I'd like. Yes, I will call in later on and try and explain. Make sense in my head. Yes, lovely. Maybe you call in then this afternoon because we're about to end the show. BTC, Candy Andika Pranjama Jaya. Hey, that's a name and a half. How are you, Candy? Welcome to the show. Yes, I will call in later. Good stuff. Buying the dip is such a horrible strategy during these times. Well, it's all we can do if regular guys, we haven't got any money like you, market. It's difficult for us. Best thing to do is have 2 accounts. Yeah, but you can't have 2 accounts on Robinhood. I asked that and you can't. Day trading along positions and it really doesn't matter. You're absolutely right. Fusion 301, I asked Robinhood and you can't. And you can't because you have it. It's attached to your social security number. You cannot have 2 accounts on Robinhood. Otherwise, I would. That would make sense to me. I'd buy the dips on one account and just keep accumulating. And on the other account, I'd be day trading. I would love that, but you can't. Funny you mention it. I have 2 eToro accounts. I have 1 crypto and 1 day trading. Crypto may be different, I suppose. And another I use for investing. One I have for crypto. Oh, you do? You have 2? So eToro allows it. Can you open an SEP account? No, but they are working on it. Apparently, that's another feature they want to do. If you're absolutely committed to buying a company, you just dollar cost average in no matter the day, up or down. Oh, I get it, but it makes more sense to buy it on the down days, doesn't it? People argue. This argument makes me laugh. People say if you're committed to a stock, you just dollar cost average weekly, monthly. I get that. Every dip gets sold twice as hard. Yes, it does. I guess I know what you're saying. But if you are committed to a stock, it's a lazy way to invest. No, they don't have a SEP IRA. They don't, but they're working on it apparently. It's a lazy way to invest. I get it. Every month you put $100 in the stock market and you buy all your favorite stocks. I get it. Overall, in 20 years' time, you'll be fine. I get that. Everyone agrees with that, or at least they should. That's a fact. But if you are active like I am, you're in front of your computer every day, you're doing it, it obviously makes more sense if you've got the time and the inclination to buy the amount of money that you would spend every month on a dip. Obviously, it's better. Call it lazy, but it's a tried and tested method. Yes, it's a tried and tested method because it's what most people do. But obviously, common sense, basic maths will tell you that if you do stick to the amount you're going to buy, because that's what generally wouldn't happen, you'd go off the rails and you'd do it differently. But if you stick to the amount that you're going to spend every month, but you wait for a dip, it's obvious it's better than buying at a peak. I mean, that's just common sense. That's not me guessing or hoping for the best. That's a fact. But the reason why tried and tested overall isn't because you keep buying at the higher prices. It's because you keep buying in regularly and you keep investing. For example, if I spent $30,000, if I had $30,000 today and I bought everything today, my portfolio would go up to 60,000. I haven't made 30,000. I've just put more money into the market. So my portfolio goes up. I could make my portfolio go up today 100% if I have 30 grand. And some people do that. They look at your portfolio and go, wow, it's up to 60 grand now. Yeah, because I put 30 grand in. That 30 grand hasn't made any money. I just put it in. So when people say, I buy every month and overall I started at 1 and now I've got 100, look at me, aren't I great? Well, no, because you just put in 100. You might actually be down, but you just put in 100. That's all. But to make your 100 you put in come 1,000, then you need the stocks to go up. So there you go. Sure, but that's calling the top and bottom, and that's, yeah, you can't call the top and the bottom. You know, that's why you just keep buying in a stock you want, but you're just looking for the dips. It's like, I mean, Tesla, for example. I started investing in Tesla, and when I started investing in Tesla, this is the price I came in at. I came in at 600, then I bought at 7, then I bought at 8, then I bought at 9, and then I bought at 1,000, then I bought at 1,200. And how I've got an average now of 709 and I've got 12 is because I continued buying, but every time it went down, I bought some more. I didn't buy it when it kept going up after the initial run, because it just kept going up. Market Profit says, buy the dip is a relatively new mantra developed by 12-year-olds living in their parents' basement. Dollar cost average is the prudent method of investing. BTFD is what generates... BTFD, I know what that means, what BTFD means, is what degenerate gamblers chant. BTFD? I don't know what that is. Buy today, forget the dip. I don't know. Anyway, it's, I mean, basic maths will tell you it's better to buy when the price is down. Buy the bad words dip. I see. Well, I think there's the truth of all of this is somewhere in between, guys. Right? We don't chant silly stuff. We don't rant and rave. We don't get hysterical. We don't go on YouTube wearing silly hats. And there's guys on YouTube doing Bitcoin with masks on and stupid crash helmets, like looking like flipping idiots, you know, doing stupid sensationalistic nonsense. We don't do that. All the companies I've invested in are companies I believe in. I know the CEO. I know what they make. I know what they're doing. I know, you know, whatever. But I can't predict a world war. I can't predict inflation. I have no control over that. Wait, what? Martin saw you jumping on the table, charting earlier. Did you? I don't think that was me. Anyway, we're coming up again now. Don't be upset, market. Why, is market upset? It's what the children of Wall Street chant. Well, I don't chant it. I don't chant it. My portfolio is coming up again right now. The S&P is coming up now. Right, we come to the end of the show. Have we managed to keep everybody on Twitch? Have we kept everybody? Right, we've got 70 followers. Wow, we've made 70 followers. Thank you very much, Habs Rock. Great stuff. And Levin Mackers. We've gained another 2 followers today. Margin next week. Arnold the Palmer. Here he is. He's our crystal ball telling me I'm going to be called on margin every day. He's like a magician. I think he's over there. Yes, he is. He's over there on Twitch today. Right. Okay, we're going to end it on Twitch now because we only have 6 and I don't want to lose that. Our average was 4.1. So here we go. We're going to end the show. We're going to end it on Twitch right now before we lose anybody else. Ooh, I don't want to lose anybody else. I want to keep the average. Here we go. So let me end the stream on Twitch before it drops. Stay where you are. And hopefully we'll have our average up to date. Okay. Here we go. Average of 6. All right, we'll check it in a minute. That's good. We're at 2.7. We're trying to get to 2.8 today and see if we can do it. Okay. We've ended it on Twitch. Thank you ever so much, guys. $2.7. I'll get back to you when it refreshes. All right. Okay. Now then, we're back for the closing bell. So before we go, this is your final chance. Well, it's not. The final chance will be the closing bell. The market profit. These are the same people that say apes together strong. I don't know any of these silly comments. Market profit. I'm confused. Buying the dips is how I have made money. If I bought high, the highs I would have lost. I know. What he's talking about, what is basically what market profit is saying. It has been proven, fact, if you get $100 every month, just pick a number, and every month you buy the S&P 500, you buy the best companies on the stock market, in 20 years, you'll be up. That's it. That has been proven to be a fact. Because you are constantly buying in and you're averaging out the highs and the lows. But it is the lazy way of doing it. But it's what most people do. It's what you do if you have a pension. If you have a job, a regular job, unlike me, if you have a regular job, like my wife does, and every month they take out of her wages so much money and they go into a 401k or whatever it might be, every month they invest on the stock market. Now, as long as you're not retiring today, because right now the markets are down, so don't tell me it always makes sense, because it doesn't. If I'm retiring today, my pension is down. Fact. So what you do is you wait for it to come back. You don't retire today. Nobody today would take out their pension. No one in the last 6 months should be taking out their pension. They will wait for their pension to return. They'll start taking their pension in a couple of years when it's up. But overall, generally speaking, the market goes up. But if you're watching the markets every day and you're buying quality stocks, and if you only bought the S&P 500, if you only bought the S&P 500, obviously, I mean, I get really passionate about this, but obviously it makes sense to buy the S&P when it's down and when it's up. It's just, when people say long term it's best just to buy every month regardless, is because it overwrites the undisciplined investor. And what I mean by that is, if you say that I am going to save for something, and you do it as and when, willy-nilly, overall, you won't invest. Overall, you'll forget. You'll spend the money on something else. You'll have a holiday. You won't have the money to put into your savings account. That's a fact. But if you said, I'm going to set up a standing order, a direct debit, a repeating payment every single month of my life into a savings account, 1,000,000 to 1, you will have more money in there than the guy who's going to do it as and when. That's a fact, because we get lazy and we miss out and we forget and we spend the money on something else. We get in debt. We buy money on, we use credit cards, whatever. So when people say it's best over time to spend money every month and invest, it's only because it overwrites the human errors of our ways. It only overwrites the undisciplined behavior of a human being. But it is obvious. If you only ever had $1 million in your entire life to spend, obviously it's better to have put it all in 20 years ago than it is today. Obviously. People go, yeah, but I dollar cost average. The stocks are getting more and more expensive over time. If you could read the future and see, I only will ever have $1 million to invest my entire life. Should I get that $1 million and split it up over the next 20 years, or put that entire $1 million right now into the S&P 500? What will give you the biggest return? And if anyone tells me spread over the next 20 years, I'm sorry, but you're an idiot. You're an idiot. I have the highest level of qualifications in mathematics. I went all the way in, right? Trust me, if I had $1 million in my lifetime to invest, if I put the entire $1 million today on the S&P right now, will I have more money in 20 years than if I bought the S&P with the same $1 million over the next 20 years? I would 100% have more money in 20 years if I did it all today, without any doubt. And if anyone disagrees with me, respectfully, you're an idiot. Because you only bought in because you think it's going to go up over 20 years. So if you keep buying it as it goes up over 20 years, obviously you make less money than if you put the entire amount in today. That is obvious. And then forget about it for 20 years. You cannot buy any more. You've only got $1 million. You put it all on the S&P today, and you come back in 20 years. I bet my house on it, you are up. And you are up more than if you've done it over 20 years. So dollar cost averaging over time is only to correct human undiscipline. It's not to make the most money. That is a fact. And anyone who disagrees with me is an idiot. And I'm going to say it because that's a fact. All right, let me read everyone's comments to that. My hamster could have beaten Warren Buffett. My hamster could have beaten Warren Buffett in 2021. I like that. In 1 year, though. Yes, I agree. In 1 year, anyone could have beaten Warren Buffett. But not in a lifetime, you won't. The hamster's dead and Warren Buffett is still very rich. Market profit, that's true. That's funny, but true. I do agree when we're talking differently about investing and day trading. There we go. Very different. I invest $50 a month and I just keep adding to positions and don't really care the position. There we go. That's what Shad does. But of course your portfolio is going to go up because every month you put $50 in. Even if the markets didn't move. I've got people who've said that to me. I started investing 20 years ago and I put $50 in every month and I'm up. Well, of course you are. You've put in 20 years times $50. Of course you're up. But if you put the same $50 in your pocket, you'd be up. You'd have a bigger pocket, right? All right. So there you go. NRSN is creeping up. Let me have a look at it. Yes, it is. I'm still down, but getting better. But day trading, I don't really add any funds. Just keep selling positions and using it to buy more. That's a good idea. I like that. A whole million into Virgin Galactic. There you go. The whole bloody lot. Robbie Cooper's right. Forget the S&P 500. Just buy all of the shares of Virgin Galactic. There you go. $1 million into Mullen in BSV. That's the fiscally responsible way of investing. Yeah. Mullen BSV. Yeah. No, I never said that. I hope everybody fully understands what I said, right? When I said put all your money in the stock today, this is what I said. I said put all your money into the S&P 500. I never said put all your money into Mullen, BSV, or Virgin Galactic. Just want to be absolutely clear on that. Right. Okay. I agree with you, Martin. There you go. There you go. Unfortunately, we're not all born with $1 million. But I tell you what, this is financial advice. I'm not allowed to give financial advice on YouTube, but I'm going to. And my fiance always calls me an idiot. I agree with you, Martin, and my fiance always calls me an idiot. There you go. I'm an idiot. Everyone calls me an idiot. I don't care. I get hundreds of emails a day telling me I'm an idiot. Here's financial advice for you. You have a child, and you want to do something really good for your child. And you go, right, I'm rich. Now, I could give my child $50 every month for the next 20 years. Or that adds up to $1 million. Or I'm going to give them $1 million right now. The whole thing. Because I'm rich. I don't have to work for it. I've already got it. I'm going to give $1 million right now to my child. And I'm going to buy my child $1 million worth of the S&P 500. That's it. I'm done. I'm not giving you any more money ever again. I'm just going to give you $1 million once. That is the best way to do it. Absolutely fact. And then in 20 years' time, your child won't have $1 million anymore. They'll probably have 20 million. 20 million. And they're set for life. That's it. But anyway, back to reality. No one's giving $1 million away to anybody. Anyway, so there you go. We're going to wrap up the show today with our final day trader of the day and our final rundown. So it's our final commercial. Skip the ad, come right back for our final roundup of all the stocks and our final thoughts and some important information for tomorrow. So don't go away. Skip the ad. Here it comes. All right. Here's the ad. Okay. Okay. So we're going to finish off the show right now. Would you rather have 1 million now or 100,000 for 15 years? $1 million now. $1 million now. Definitely. Robbie Cooper. 1 million now. Very easy. Yeah, I thought about it for a second, but yeah. Raytheon, Lockheed, and Northrop Grumman doing very well during this turn down. There we go. Lockheed is to do with Virgin Galactic, by the way, for the war, and Virgin Orbit. Another thing I've got why I'm in these. Oh, look at this. Virgin Galactic. That's better. Oh, who bought the dip today? You would have just made 3.5%. Who bought the dip today? I didn't. But there you go. I'm just an idiot. What do I know? Just a guy on YouTube. Don't listen to anybody on YouTube. Anyway. Right. Here we go. Day trader of the day. I'm down 2.2. That sounds like an up to me. I'm celebrating. I'm only down 2.2%. I actually think that's an up. Hey! Right. There you go. Let's get all the scores. Here we go. Let's see everybody score on the doors, please. Military defense stock doing well. Space looks like it will be a military stock in the future. Yes. And does Virgin Orbit. And Virgin Orbit, it virtually is now. There's a very likely, if we're brutally honest, the Third World War has already started. We did a vote on it this morning. Many people think it already has. Virgin Orbit is the best place to put satellites in space for security. Absolutely. Who are they going to use? Virgin Orbit. They can launch satellites anywhere. They don't need rockets. So there you go. Virgin Orbit. And Virgin Galactic doing better. Right, let's get everyone's scores on the doors right now. Now the final reminder. Let's see. Well, not quite the final reminder, actually. But nearly. I hope some of you could click notify on launch for my Virgin Orbit. For the morning, there it is. You're not committed to backing me, but remember, it's not a GoFundMe. I'm not a charity. I'm giving a business opportunity to back a business. All right, I funded most of it myself. I can't quite complete it, and I'm doing it mainly to go viral on Kickstarter so we can promote and go viral on YouTube. And that is my Kickstarter campaign in the morning. Please set up an account because tomorrow morning it'll be too late. The only way to go viral on Kickstarter is to get funded in 1 hour. Hopefully, I will get overfunded. I'm hoping for that. But if you've not yet set up the account on Kickstarter, you've got only between now and tomorrow morning to do it. I've got 18 followers there. That means 18 people are ready to get notified. Doesn't mean you have to fund me. And if you pledge a fund, you only pay if it gets funded and the job is complete and I have to make the film and have to go to the spaceport. So please just remember that. We've got no scores come in. No one posted their scores, down 2.2. Where's everyone's score? No one giving me a score. That's kind of weird. Are you still watching the show? What's going on? Oh, I see. I reckon everybody was on an ad break. You're all watching a big ad. Was everybody watching a big ad? Is that what went on? Maybe I just earned myself 10 cents. Awesome stuff. Maybe I just earned 10 cents. Maybe everybody was watching the ad. Yeah, it looks like everybody was watching the ad. I like that. 2.8! Get in on Kickstarter! Sorry, not Kickstarter. What am I on about? Look, 2.8. We made 2.8 today. Yes, we made 2.8 on Twitch. Look at that. Look at that. Today, we had an average of 7 viewers. See how it goes over 30 days, look. Over 30 days. See, when we can knock off these, it'll go up. Because these were only an average of 1, 1, 2, 2. Over the last week, look, 3, 4, 5, 7 today. Yes! That was because of Restream. I learned that today. I didn't go long enough with that many people in. So there we go. We need the music. Dexter Sickles, you can have music on the show, but it's a $10 super chat. Otherwise, that's, you know, I lose money on the video because I earn money from ads. If I do a song, I will lose the revenue for the ads. So I ask for $10, which covers the ad revenue I would have got, and then I do a song. So if you give me a super chat, if I get collectively above $10, I will do a song in the show, and you can request a song. Right, let's do the scores. Down 0.88, down 2%. Looks like Restream is winning right now. Restream is winning. Yes, he is. Let's scroll down. The countdown. Right, the countdown music. Oh, sorry. Chiggy, you. Oh, we need the music. Oh, that's what you meant. I thought you meant the... Bloody hell, I thought you meant a tip. Oh, never mind. I thought you meant the real music. Chiggy, oop, bap, bap, with the real Sotoshi. Please stand up. Police stand up. Police stand up. With the real Sotoshi. Please stand up. Has he got no shoes on? There you go. There you go. Well, that was unexpected. Well, there you go, see. Down 1.32. Dexter Sickles was waiting for the music. Down 1.32. The countdown music down down 2%. Horvath down 0.88. That looks like the winning number right now. Up 13.2. Billy's up 13.2. Most of mine is in space as well. Oh, look at it soaring up now. What's pumping right now? The S&P is coming up. Space is coming up. Hell of a swing trade today. Hell of a swing trade. Oh, I could have bought that, but there you go. We all wish for these things. Virgin Orbit. Brilliant. Brilliant. 3 BSV and 4 Aurora. Oh, that's just crypto. You can't count that, Bill. We can't. It's got your overall portfolio has to be all your stocks and shares, not just 3 BSV and 4 Aurora. We can't count that, Bill. Sorry, mate. We can't count that. That's not an overall portfolio. We can't have just like 1 or 2 stocks. It's got to be the overall portfolio. So I'm going to go, it looks like the winner is Shad, who's down 0.88. Sorry, Bill, but it has to be an overall portfolio, not just a couple of coins, all right? That's it doesn't work that way, all right? So Shadstream, I'm going to give it to Shadstream. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him the thumbs up as well. There you go. And everyone congratulate Shadstream. Here we go. Right, don't forget, if we've got any good jokes, of course, if any of our members want to put a joke of the day on the screen right now, if you've got a good joke, I will give you the drum roll round of applause. It's good. All right, if you've got a good joke. If you've got a bad joke, you get this one. No, wrong one. There you go. That's all I have. I understand that, Bill, but it's not an overall portfolio, though. I know it's all you've got, but it's not an overall portfolio. You can't just own one crypto asset, or it wouldn't make any sense. You went, that's his portfolio. Yeah, but it's just 2 assets. It's my show. It's my show, and I decide. Bill's my mate. He gets it. Well, obviously it is. Yeah. Well, you can't just have one stock, or it don't make any sense. See Discord, that's fine. What's on Discord? Robert Rose has sent me something on Discord. Remember, I don't know where it is, guys. You have to send it into YouTube. On Discord, you send it in. You haven't sent me anything on Discord. See Discord. Right. I'm going to start setting out some rules here. Many of you come on and say, see Discord. Like I'm supposed to have a magic eye or something, right? We have a channel specifically for sharing links on YouTube. Okay? Things you want me to look at. All right? So what you do, it's called Links for YouTube. All right? I'm going to show you. Because some of you just go on Discord, like commanding me on Discord. I mean, seriously, guys. I mean, all right. You got to be polite about it. Look, on Discord, we have a channel called Links for YouTube. If you want me to share something on YouTube, you put it in there. Links for YouTube. All the members can see it. Links for YouTube. Okay? Under your name. That doesn't make any sense, Bill. Doesn't make any sense. And if you send me private messages, that doesn't make sense either. Because I've just looked in private messages and you haven't sent me a private message. All right? Okay? We have an organized way of doing it. So do it the right way, and then I can bring it on the show and all the rest of it. Just going in Discord, and I have no idea where it is. It's not under my name, and it's not in check messages. I've just checked it. All right, okay. Okie doke. Right, we're going to wrap up the show right there. That's it. It's been a terrible morning. Everybody's losing money. Your name in Discord. What does that mean, Bill? Your name in Discord. If you send me a message, it's not in there. I've looked. Okay? And now you're sending it on my phone. We've got the Discord channel specifically for it. To make it nice and simple for me. I can't start picking up my phone and go through my messages and stuff like that. We have a channel for it. Come on, make it easy for me. Right. We've got some breaking news here. ENF has just gone up 5%. Look at this. Enphase Energy, solar, one of my best performing stocks. I've only got 2 shares in it, but it's one of my best performing stocks. I like it. The S&P. Hey, look, we might even turn green. Can you believe it? We might even turn green today. I can't believe it, quite honestly, but we might even turn green. Right, we're going to end the show right there with Bill telling me to check phones and Discords and everywhere else. And right. I finally seen your message come through on in my messages, Bill. But you didn't send it through to the channel. But I will share it though, because you want me to share it. I'll share it. Here is Bill's portfolio. Look, here we go. He sent it me via personal message. There you go. Aurora, Shiba Inu, and SPCE. There we go. He's down all time, but I guess he's up today. You've sent me the all time portfolio. Anyway, thanks for sharing it, Bill. Appreciate it. Just next time, I might even make it a rule. I might even go, I'm not even going to open it unless everyone does it properly. Send it to the Discord channel, the channel for YouTube. It's clearly stated. That way, it's easy. I can find it. I can't just keep zipping all over the place looking for messages. All right? I've no idea where it is. Right, we're going to end the show there right now. Looking much better. Are we going to turn green today? Who knows? And who knows? Anyway, that's it. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. And let's hope for a better outcome. And, of course, tomorrow it's our cash giveaway. I'm only down 0.56. Yeah, I know. All of a sudden, the markets are pumping up. But I'm not buying in when it does that at all. It's great to see it. It's great to be above 30,000 again. But sentiment right now is very bearish. Could keep driving down. I'm glad that Virgin Galactic is going up today. But there you go. My average is now 671. It's getting better. Down 0.48. It's getting better, right? Virgin Orbit doing well. Tesla, big rise. Rivian, bloody hell, Rivian, that's a huge swing today. Yeah, never chase it. Never ever chase it. Lucid, yeah, big swing right now. All of a sudden, we had these big drops this morning and now everything pumping up. If you bought the dips this morning, I would strongly recommend trimming some off because we'll probably get another drop tomorrow. Don't forget, it's Friday, sell-off Friday. If we're getting this now on a Thursday, God help us tomorrow. So there you go. I would take profits today if I was you, but that's not financial advice. All right. Fantastic. Don't forget, go and check out yesterday's live stream, The Closing Bell, if you want to hear Kurt's interview. It was a very interesting afternoon. And again, very honoured. He took the time out of his day to be on our channel when he's done all the mainstream news channels like Fox and CNN, all that great stuff. So it was great to have him on the show. I saw a Rivian R1T. Yeah, I saw one yesterday as well. No, not yesterday, last week. I was out and about and I saw a Rivian R1T. Yes. You see Teslas everywhere, Rivians everywhere. Not everywhere Rivians, but they're starting to appear. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you back later on for the closing bell. Thanks, guys. We're now on 2.8 on Twitch Absolutely great. We're driving it up all the time. And we now have 35 people that have signed up for my newsletter. And that goes out on Sunday at 9 a.m. Central, 2 p.m. in the UK. And every Sunday, if you've not yet done it, make sure you click on this. And then, of course, in the chat right now. And then, of course, you confirm your email. Verify the email you're looking for if you've not yet done it. And most of you haven't actually confirmed it. And if you haven't, there's the email you're searching for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. And that's it. All right, see you all back. It was a beautiful truck. They do look quite nice, don't they? They do look good. All right, see you all back in the afternoon for the closing bell. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.